pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine partners.
My bitch a choosing lover, never fuck without a rubber. Never in the sheets like it on top of the cover. Money on the dresser, drive a compressor. Top notch hoes, get the most, not the lesser. Trash like the buck for $40 in the club. Fucking up the game, bitch, it gets no love. She be cross country, giving all that she got. 1,000 a pop, I'm putting business off the lot. I smashed up the gray one, bought me a red. Every time we hit the parking lot, we turn head. Some hoes wanna choose, but them bitches too scary. Your bitch chose me, you ain't a pimp, you a fairy.
A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine partners.
Baby, you been rolling solo, time to get down with the team. The grass is greener on that other side, if you know what I mean. I show you shit you never seen, the 7 wonders of the world. And I can make you the 8 if you wanna be my girl.
Hold up.
My woman, that ain't my style, need a real street stalker. Smoke a green mile, piling up the paper on the dining room table. Cause you able to realize I'm the truth and not a fable. Baby, rock your Russian sable, keep that chill up.
1 minute late, my ass.
$1,000 shit up on my back.
Don't start with me like that.
They need $1 billion bitch. Put my pimpin' in your life. Watch your daddy get rich. Easy as ABC. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Get down with UGK. Pimp CBU with B. Cause what's a hoe with no pimp? And what's a pimp with no hoe? Don't be a lame. You know the game and how
It was?
we try to get chose.
A pimp,
I didn't even realize it was taken down.
a pimp, not a simp.
You're talking about like 2 nights ago?
Pimp, not a simp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine partners. A pimp, not a simp.
What's up, guys? How are ya? Apparently my previous stream was dropped. Hold on, I gotta check that out. Sex and nudity policy. What? My New Year's Eve stream was taken down to YouTube's sex and nudity policy. I don't know what the hell happened there. I can't even fathom what it was. Anyway, moving on. This is from Scam Stingers. Has a full-on 4-hour... we're not going to watch all 4 hours, I promise. Review of 2020 for Sovereign Citizens. I figured I'd get back to my roots instead of like the Karens and auditors and check them out. And no, I'm not going to watch all 4 effing hours. Well, it'll be like 6 a.m. By the time I finish up here.
Fair use. In the United States,
Fair use, etc.
We got a claim going.
No, I'm not doing a Gale review. I swear to God, I'm going to put you in timeout. Anybody who mentions Gale for the next half an hour. Carrie, you think I'm joking?
Excuse me, what's going on? We got an appeal going. What's going on? Please tell me what's
Hang on.
going on.
Make sure the volume's up.
We have an appeal going on right now. I just filed with the Supreme Court.
We're going to break down the door if you don't...
Listen, this is our home.
Hey, listen, right now.
You can't remove us from our home.
We're going to key the door right now if you don't go open the door.
Listen, you gonna remove us from our home?
I'm telling you right now, just go open the door.
Are you gonna talk to us or are you removing
I'm
us?
going to talk to you in a second. If you
The
don't open
fuck?
the door.
Here, come over this way. Please don't kick in the door.
I told you I wasn't joking around.
Listen, we got a appeal going.
Okay, so I actually looked up this incident, and I looked up actually the final court opinion, the court ruling on this guy's attempt at not getting evicted from his parents' home. And from long story short, it's as insane as this whole entire endeavor is. This is also another example of a sovereign citizen getting his parents evicted from their home because he went out. You guys, I'm not joking about the Gale thing. Like, I'm really at my limit of tolerance when it comes to it. I'm really sick and tired of people asking about Gale. I'm not going to watch Gale. Stop asking me about Gale. I'm not in the mood for it. I really am not. And the next person who talks about it, I'm going to put you in timeout. Please. I'm begging you. Stop it. Moving on. Anyway, moving on. Isaiah, you didn't have to do that to Desert Sentinel, but please stop mentioning it again. I'm not in the mood for Gale jokes. Anyway, the guy is a Sov, and the problem is, the problem is that he either convinced his parents that their mortgage on their house was fraudulent, which ended up with them not paying the mortgage in like February 2018 or 2017. And then it turned into a 2.5-year endeavor with this guy filing bullshit paperwork, bullshit sovereign citizen / Moorish appeals, and eventually culminated with the parents getting evicted from their house. That's from what I saw from the court opinions, from the judges. The judge's opinion in the federal court case was fairly extensive, and he had a very large fact pattern to go into it. I went to their pacer, then found out all the BS paperwork that they filed. It's a complete and utter mess, and this guy ended up getting his parents evicted out of their own home.
We got an appeal going right now. We got 2. Yes, we got a supersedious bond.
Get out!
Hey,
Get out of there!
hey, get off of our land right now. Hey, get off of our land now before we have to stand our ground. Get off of our land now. Hey,
Get off our land!
get off of our land now.
Get off our
Hey, get off of our land now before get off of our land now. Hey, Second Amendment. Second Amendment. Hey, get the fuck off our land now. Second Amendment. Hey, get off of our land now.
Get off of our land!
Get off of our land.
Get off of our fucking land!
What's going on? We just filed an appeal. We're in the Oregon Appellate Court.
Past that.
No, we're in the Oregon Appellate Court now.
No, it's past that.
No, we're in the Oregon Appellate Court now.
The moratorium. Okay?
It's a moratorium.
No, this ain't.
Hey, one's coming around.
Come on. Hey, could you please disarm yourselves?
Listen to me. Come here.
What's going on?
You're getting evicted.
Listen, you got to give us a chance to get out of the house.
We will. If you want to cooperate, we will let you get out.
We will get our shit.
Just relax.
How in the fuck? We got 2 appeals going.
It's over.
No.
I'm not even sure what he specifically means by superseding.
Listen, how could you guys do that? No, you.
Okay? I'm telling you.
At least speak to.
I'm
We got
speaking
elders
right
in the
now.
house.
Absolutely.
We got 2 appeals going. I just went down to Salem and filed something yesterday.
Those appeals don't count anymore. Just listen to me.
We got
You
a
would not- you would not be
supersedious.
here, okay?
Supersedious bond.
Doing all this stuff.
We
The
got.
judges have already said.
No, it's not over. We got 2 appeals.
Oh.
Listen, so what is our time frame? You can't just remove us. We got our whole house.
Being removed. Do you do it cooperate?
We got our whole house here. We've been here for
I know.
my whole life. What are you talking about? Like, I'm fighting on an appeal every day.
I understand that.
We've been fighting on an appeal every day. We got 2 going. They didn't dismiss our appeals.
Okay, yeah, the problem that they have here.
Who's all under?
My father, my mother, my uncle, and my brother. Yes.
The problem that they have here is that they can't file a supersedience
I
bond
have 2 appeals going. I just
when there's no more appeal.
in Salem yesterday.
Those pills,
They
then you can come back. Okay?
I have a supersedious bond in place right now. It says that it stayed the execution of this judgment.
I'm not sure I buy that on that, because what happens is that the supersedious bond only matters when there is a tail end. My understanding is that they went through the entirety of the appellate system and lost. In other words, I don't think they have a place to go appeal to. Therefore, I don't even know where they get the supersedious bond to go, in the first place. Notwithstanding, a supersedious bond has to do with payments, though. This is an eviction. So even if they did have one, I think he still has to be evicted, even if there is a legitimate bond, because it has to do with payment and not the eviction itself, or not the. I'm not 100% sure of this, so don't take my word for it. But I'm not sure he's doing it right, and I think he's SOL, because again, this is a process that's been going on for well over 2 years. Thank you, Professor Hacks, for the $5 super chat just to bit me up for you. Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, yes, it does. It stayed the execution of the judgment. What the fuck? What are you guys? We have been fighting this appeal this whole time. Hey,
We're not doing
we're not.
Hey, you're being recorded as well on my phone.
Hey,
okay?
we're not. Listen, we got an appeal going. Stop! Get out of our house.
Get out of my house.
Listen, get out of our house. Pimmer,
Here's the deal.
Go.
you gotta give us some time. Don't remove us right yet.
Oh, that, okay, now I see that. Yeah, here's the problem that I have with this idea of passing a supersedience bond. Now that I refresh my recollection, it's usually a supersedience bond is what's paid in terms of for a defendant to pay in litigation in terms of a losing judgment, so that they can continue the appeal process. The idea is to ensure that the defendant is not simply doing an appeal as a constant delay tactic. So what they do is that they put in a supersedience bond that puts a stay on the judgment as the appeal process goes forward. However, a supersedience bond is usually paid in full. And on top of that, it is also usually paid through insurance or some kind of underwriting. I don't think that that's what they have here, because my problem is that because this guy's a sovereign citizen, I don't think he legitimately paid any supersedience bond in the first place for that to be an actual legitimate bond. In other words, because this guy's a sovereign citizen, he probably paid it in some sort of BS treasury direct scam, A for V scam that actually doesn't have any legitimate value in terms of a bond of that nature. So I'm going to say that it's BS whatever he's claimed that they have a supersedience bond that is supposed to stay the judgment of the order, i.e. the conviction.
Step outside.
Or the eviction, I mean.
No, it's not. I got 2 appeals going, a federal and a state.
We checked this.
No,
in the court.
Yes, I do.
He didn't want to pay the full bond, so he appealed the amount.
Work out something, but it's not today. You have to go.
No, Today we're not going nowhere. What are you talking about? This is our home. We got all our shit, our whole cases in here. We're not leaving our home.
They're not gonna get rid of your stuff.
We're not leaving our home.
You are.
This is Judge
Matarazzo?
Matarazzo.
Yeah, Judge
Saying
Matarazzo,
what?
We
yeah.
didn't pay the $1,600.
We are in the appellate court appealing the supersedious bond.
We have a
Oh, so okay, now you're right. Humongous. Now he's appealing the amount of the supersedence bond. So how can he have an effective supersedence bond if he's appealing the judgment to it? So of course they're not. Of course the eviction's going to keep on going if he doesn't have an effectuated supersedence bond if he's appealing the amount. So it's not even in effect.
No, we got a supersedious bond on place.
Don't touch my fucking You're gonna leave the room.
Hey.
Back up.
Don't touch my
We're gonna have to
phone.
leave.
No,
You
hey,
got a superseded
step out. We got a
bond
superseded.
covered.
This is all our case.
Right now,
Look at our case.
You're interfering
Look
with
at
an
this
officer.
case.
No, we got our whole
This
fucking
is a
case. You can't
superseded bond.
come and take our case.
This is a
No,
superseded
not listening.
bond.
They
We
aren't
have a
listening.
bond on our house.
He's cool.
Please, can you guys get out of our house? You're scaring us. You guys can't do this.
Look at how many there are. We are calling the mayor as soon as you goddamn leave. We're not calling him now. I'm calling the
So you
911.
can go. You're
Please,
obstructing.
hey.
You're
No,
interfering.
this is our home. We're not leaving our
You're
land.
trespassing, okay?
We're not leaving our land. What are you guys doing right now?
We're gonna have to-
Please step out. What the?
What was that?
This is William. This
William.
is Michael.
What are you doing?
Can I talk to you? What was that?
Can you guys step out, please? You guys are encroaching.
I just talked over there, right? It's a fake one.
You guys are encroaching right now. No, we're not leaving our home. I don't know what y'all talking about. We're not leaving our home. What do you guys? There's a moratorium. There's all types of shit.
Listen to me, okay?
Hey, we're not going to leave our home.
Listen to me.
You keep saying that, but then you also say, give us some time so we can pack our stuff.
You have to go for right now.
We can't leave our
Either we're
home.
gonna have to-
My whole
Listen, William,
case.
stop. Please listen to me, okay? Just listen.
No,
to me.
there's got to be a
Hold
way
on.
to stay this.
Listen to me.
Please
Listen to
call
me.
somebody.
Listen to me for a minute. You're gonna have to get out for right now. Okay?
Listen, we're not
If you're-
leaving. How do you? It's first thing in the morning. We're not leaving our home.
William,
We can't. We
William,
gotta
I will
give
you-
us some
I will
time.
give you time.
You
If you
have
guys
to
want
give
to
us
start
some
packing
time.
up and doing some things, then we're fine.
What the fuck? I
Okay.
just filed something. I drove to
understand.
Salem.
And then you will be able to get back in.
And again, the idea that you saying that you filed something the day before or yesterday,
If that file goes through.
that's not going to change anything.
This is our home, our lifetime home. We can't leave. I've been
And you fucked it by convincing your parents to stop paying on their mortgage.
fighting for this shit every fucking day.
You convinced your parents that the mortgage was fraudulent. They stopped paying, and this is the result 2.5 years later.
Okay.
Please
I
call
understand.
somebody. Please give us some
Who am I
time
gonna
to
call?
gather our shit. You can't just come remove us.
who are you
We didn't get no paperwork, nothing.
No bullshit. The eviction notice is on your door.
You guys have been dealing with this for how long?
For 2 years straight.
The eviction notice is on their door, so don't act like you didn't see this coming.
I've been fighting every day, and I'm
So you
still
already
on
knew.
appeal.
You
No,
already knew.
no,
hold on.
I'm still on appeal.
You already knew that this is possibly going to be coming down.
No, I never
Yes.
knew none of this.
Okay, well,
no.
it's happening.
Listen,
okay?
please give us some time to gather our thing. Our whole case is in here.
I will let you gather your
Like,
things.
please make a call. Please make a call,
To who?
please. Call Matarazzo. She knows we gotta stay. I'm in the
wants
Supreme Court.
Act surprised at
I'm in the
reality.
Supreme Court. I just sent the file off yesterday
Hey,
regarding
can I-
this
can I
matter.
say something to you? You're the one that's actually being calm. Okay?
I
so
cannot
I would like
believe
you to go
we-
in there and tell them to calm down for one.
You guys got to give us some time.
I will give you some time.
You guys can't do it. What the?
I will give you some
We
time.
ain't lost the appeal.
I will give you some time.
We got due process of law. We gotta. We
It's
gotta
been 2
stay.
years.
We've been fighting it. We're on appeal.
Oh, I didn't hear that, Nathan. I'm going from the fact pattern that the judge had, in the federal court case, where I can't remember. It was 2017 or 2018. I think it was January or February of 2018 that they stopped paying their mortgage.
Pops.
See, can you please
Here.
calm them down?
Could you guys please allow me to talk to my family?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so you can either go get some stuff or you can leave now. Okay. You're gonna have to go hands on with this guy.
No, don't touch me.
Oh yeah, this takes a long time, as it should. In fairness, as it should. These, defaulting on a mortgage and the eventual eviction should not take like 3 weeks. Because it's somebody's primary residence, right? You want to make sure, and it's heavily regulated for that purpose to make sure that people aren't like just chucked out of their homes for missing one or two payments. So that's why it's a very long process, and there's a lot in store. There's a lot there to help people, and there's a lot of options available. And again, it's a long process to make sure that everybody's crossed their T's and dotted their I's before this happens. But again, this is 2+ years, and they didn't see this coming.
Yeah.
Hey, come on now. Would you please step out and reason? This is a deprivation of rights under color of law. Please step out and listen. We got 2 appeals going.
Well, the judges signed off on today. So what you have to do is you have to go, but then it doesn't say your case is over, right?
No,
but you just have
we
to take
can't.
it from
This
here.
is our whole home of. My dad's 50. We've been living here our whole life. We're not ready to go. We got to pack up. We got to get a U-Haul. We got to get all our shit. It's not.
Tonight's beer is more of the McKinsey's Apple Crisp Hard Cider, by the way.
Hey, what are you guys talking about right now?
We're talking
For real.
about you have to leave. This judges signed an order for you to leave, okay?
I just filed a document yesterday regarding the supersedious bond. It's a stay of the
We checked
execution.
this morning, nothing's been filed.
We stayed the execution. Yes, we did of this judgment.
No, we checked this morning at 8 o'clock.
Pemberton, please, I reversed the last one. You came in to remove my
It doesn't matter.
another
You guys,
family.
listen, this isn't up for negotiation. You have to leave. Okay,
We
I'm sorry.
are-
You can carry on your case outside of here, like
What is
at
y'all? What
another
are y'all
location.
doing? You guys are ultra vires.
I don't even know what that means.
Oh my God.
Laws no excuse. Please stop. We gotta get. This is my whole case. This is my whole case. Our whole case is in here. Can you?
Okay, now right now you're trespassing. You're interfering.
We're
and you
not
have obstructed.
trespassing on our own
You
land.
are trespassing.
You guys
You
all
are trespassing.
Google. How do I pronounce ultravirus?
Ultravirus.
Ultravirus. There we go.
Ultravirus.
Ultravirus is not MK Ultra, for God's sake. Ultravirus means are acting or done beyond one's legal power of authority. I again, as an attorney who has been going away from the legal lexicon, the whole Latin and the legalese that a lot of these sovereign citizens accuse us of doing, I had to look up ultravirus again because I forgot what it meant. But it basically sounds the same as colorable.
What are you guys doing? We're going through due process.
We gotta have
We're
due
going through
process.
Ultraviolence, that is basically my default option when playing Doom. I will admit that.
We never got a
I
trial.
know.
No.
Listen, what's going on?
Calm him down, or he's gonna get him.
So what? Why are you arguing it? Why you want to take my home?
Facts.
We're gonna start arresting people.
Yeah.
Listen, could you guys give us some time in our home to pack our stuff?
I'm going to be moving past this because it does last a lot. Because these people, it gets depressing the more you go.
Are you guys? I know. I hear you, William. Are you gonna pass or not? William's been cooler than you.
Man, what are you? Whoa!
Pay back.
Because I know you did not pull me over for doing any type of criminal violation. So are you
It's a
claiming
traffic
that?
offense. It's not a criminal offense. It's a traffic
Exactly.
offense.
So that's not a real offense, is it?
It's a
What?
traffic
What are you
offense.
enforcing right now?
It's against the law.
What's against what law? You just said it's a traffic code. So if it's a traffic code, it's not a state penal code
Traffic
for a
law.
That's
the
an
Texas
infraction.
Transfer- You have your driver's license. I'm not gonna argue with you. Okay.
Okay. Well,
I'm
let me
being
give you this
respectful of
card.
you.
That's
I told
fine.
you
I'm
why you
being
got stopped.
respectful.
If you want to argue with me,
You stalked me. This is
I
what
didn't
we
stalk
going
you.
through.
You
Yes,
did
you
stalk
did.
me.
No, I have. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm more upset for the parents than anything else because they got railroaded by their own son. It wasn't even some con artist. It was their own son who got them roped up into this mess.
Gas cap.
And that's fine.
You didn't have no
Could
reason.
be a completely reasonable excuse.
It's not.
Okay?
You don't have a valid reason.
I do have
Are you
valid
a
reason.
racist
I
cop,
explained.
sir?
Am I a racist?
Yeah.
Do you know me?
Do you know me?
Do you know me?
Exactly.
I'm not accusing you of anything.
You just accused me of committing a crime.
a traffic violation.
Okay, so if it's a traffic violation, you're accusing me of committing a crime, which we know is not a real law, right?
Traffic code is law.
You just read that code on the back of my truck, and I'm gonna give you this card. Go ahead and read that.
Okay, so you're not going to provide a valid Texas driver's license.
Do what, sir?
You have a valid Texas driver's license?
Am I driving right now?
You were driving.
No, I'm traveling.
I understand what this is.
What is it? Tell me
You're
what
trying
it
to
is.
explain to me why you
I don't
feel
need to
like
explain
you need a driver's
anything. I
license.
don't even answer questions.
Okay.
I
You're not gonna give me a driver's
have
license.
everything that I got.
You're not going to show me any kind of ID with your name on it or anything like
For what?
that?
What are you putting me over for?
I explained to you, your license
You just
plate is not
profiled
only
me.
obstructed.
You profiled
How
me
did
when
I
it pulled.
profile you?
Man,
can't
I
even
got
see
you
through
on
your window.
camera. No, I got you on camera. When I made that left.
Let me ask you.
I don't listen. I don't need to answer questions right now. You just follow me way out of jurisdiction to come way into Dallas.
Well,
I saw
I
you
can make traffic stops in Dallas.
I don't
We
care
can
what.
share
This
Dallas
ain't a
County,
traffic
okay?
stop.
He's a sheriff of Dallas County, so he can still make traffic stops outside of Dallas proper.
Okay.
Right?
That's fine.
Right?
You're traveling, you're driving, however you want to word
Sir,
it, that's
you
fine.
understand, if you step outside of your official capacity, I will hold you accountable, sir.
That's fine. I would
Exactly.
expect you to.
Now,
And
you're
I would
outside,
hope you would.
You're outside of your official capacity
I'm not.
right now. Yes, you are.
Okay,
You
you're
definitely are.
You are stopped right now
For what?
for a traffic offense.
For what?
Okay,
Okay,
You do
what
not
crime
have a
did I
proper
commit?
plate on
What
your
crime
vehicle.
did I
You
commit?
do
My
not have
truck
a
is
proper
registered.
No proper plates on the vehicle. This is like the third time he's already said it.
With the state of Texas,
Okay.
sir.
As soon as I can figure that out.
It's already figured out. You look right there, brother.
Okay, hold on to this.
No, you read that. That's for your notification.
I'm not going to keep it, so I'm just going to put it right here for you.
That's on you.
Okay,
I didn't
that's
give you
your
permission
property,
to
you
reach
can
inside
keep
of my vehicle and don't
Okay.
do it again. Okay?
You can keep your property.
I know I can keep.
Okay.
This is
Do
my
you have a
property. I
Texas
own
driver's
it.
license?
I own this property.
That's
I'm
fine.
traveling.
Do you have a Texas
I'm
driver's license?
traveling,
I'm
sir.
just asking you a simple question.
Guess what? I just told you I don't answer questions.
You're not
I
gonna
just
answer
told
any
you to
questions.
read this. You're not even reading
I'm
it.
not gonna read it.
Let me read it to you.
Okay.
This
I'm
is a
not gonna
statement
read
for police. Don't ignore it. Don't
Statement for police?
This is a statement
Oh,
for
no.
My rights. The right to remain silent, including any providing documents or information that may incriminate me or be used against me. What's your badge number, Mr. Williams?
John Henry,
Failure to carry and present.
Going through right now. This is what we've been going through right now. This guy's doing
Here's the deal.
profiling.
Okay.
He's trying to. I don't answer questions, sir. I'm traveling free of will. This is not a Nazi state. Okay.
Fucking hell, Godwin's law already. Shit.
Hey man, here's the deal. Okay.
This is not a deal. This is no. I don't negotiate with
I'm
terrorists.
not
You being a terrorist right now.
anything with you.
Well, you being a terrorist, brother. Leave me the fuck
Cedric,
alone.
listen to me.
Leave me
Terrorist?
the fuck alone.
Cedric, listen to
Who do
me.
you think I am?
Okay. I know who
Who do you
owns the
think?
truck. I know who the truck's registered to.
Guess what? It
Your
don't
name's
matter
Cedric.
who is racist to.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Here's the deal.
It
Slow
doesn't
down.
matter.
Can I talk for a minute?
You don't need to talk, man. You over here doing some illegal shit.
With why you're sitting right here on the side of the
I'm
road.
not
I just want
understanding
you to
nothing you
understand
talk.
that.
No,
Okay,
you
so
broke
there's
the
no
law.
question.
You just broke the law.
Your license plate is not legal.
You just broke the
Okay?
law.
For one, it's obstructed.
I am traveling.
GG wrote it on the bingo, but I wasn't really playing tonight. I mean, we could play, but I actually don't even have a bingo card up here.
It ain't
For
obstructed.
two,
It
it's
ain't
not
nothing.
an actual
Show me where it's
license
obstructed.
plate.
I'm gonna get out of my
You stay in
vehicle.
the car for
I
me.
can do whatever I want,
You're
sir.
gonna stay in the car
For
for
what?
me.
For what reason?
You
Why
were
can't I?
detained, stay in the car.
Well, if you're detaining me, so now you can put me under arrest, sir.
You're not under arrest. You're
Okay,
detained.
then
There's a difference.
detainment is what in the legal dictionary, the Black Law Dictionary.
You're
Oh, God!
right now. You're
What
not
is
free to
it?
go, but you are not
Now he
under
said,
arrest.
Detainment is not arrest. Detainment is not arrest.
Okay.
he's lying
I will
to
be
y'all.
right back.
He's lying to y'all. I
Give
want
me just a
everybody
minute.
YouTube. This is a racist cop.
Where's that fucking triggered meme?
Black guy at the gas station. Talking about it's obstructing. You're lying. We know you're lying.
Where's my heart rate monitor? Yeah, I should probably put that on for me. Now. That's now you know when I get triggered. I mean, it'd be a possibility, James. I mean, throwing out, we're gonna have to do second amendment, stand our ground type of thing. Yes, but especially in the climate, they could plot that as possibly like a threat, threatening action or threatening statement. But let me go. I'll just go ahead and get my fecking heart rate monitor for you viewers.
Hey Artie, what's up?
I saw that, Chuck. Ugh.
Just in case we have to use.
Oh God! It's that generic statement that every single one of these right to travelers have.
Not acting in commercial capacity as a driver of a motor vehicle in trade, traffic, or transportation as defined by 49 U.S.C. 31301. The officer still, let me see, 116. As you can see, we got an officer way back there. And then, unit 316 is good right here.
Is that an F-250? Looks like a heavy-duty truck he's driving.
Unit 316. What you call racist cop.
Hey, Emmy. Every time that you being detained. What you waiting on? Usually quote mining, Devin. A lot of them really want to heavily rely on the first or second editions because they contain outdated definitions of terms, and they often say like, "Oh well, the Bar Association has caught wind to the truth, so now they update the definitions on the latter versions to hide from the public, etc., etc."
Let's see.
And also, Scott is also correct that the first and second editions are also public domain, so they're freely accessible, so that would also explain why a lot of them rely on it, too.
Let me see how long we can put them on pause.
Oh no.
I have every intention on putting.
Oh God! Oh, it's this one. Oh, I love this one.
I need cleared up before maybe.
Oh, I love this one. I need another beer for this one.
So all we can do is
Ooh.
your three options are. We can't give you any other further advice or.
I'm not asking for advice, sir.
Okay, sir. What's the question?
This
Do I have the right to be informed of the cause and nature of charges and proceedings against me here today?
this will warm my cold dead heart.
That's why she called you up here. This is an arraignment. Arraignment is where you enter a plea of guilty, not guilty, or no contingent.
Yes, sir. Was that a yes or a no?
Okay, I'm gonna have you sit down. You're talking to a court. This is no joke. You don't get to address me that way. I explained to you, you asked me, do you have a right to have your charges explained? I told
No,
you.
it doesn't, John.
Explain to you what this proceeding was. If you don't like that answer, I'm sorry, but that's the answer. The answer is
Well, sir,
no, do not cut me off. I'm explaining to you this is an arraignment. She's explaining to you you're charged with failure to obey a sign or controlled device. You can plead on that, not guilty, where you don't accept responsibility and you be set down for a trial. You can plead guilty where you accept responsibility, or you can plead nolo contendere where you say you do not fight the charges. You're not saying you're guilty, you're not saying you're not guilty. Okay? What's your next question?
well, sir, I appreciate all that information, but it still didn't answer my initial question.
Hey, Jaheretic, if you haven't watched this video, I highly recommend you pay attention to what the judge says. I think it's pertinent considering you got a lot of you learned a lot of this guy's tactics from Mark Stevens, and I think the judge does a very excellent job of explaining to you how the world works.
What's your question, sir?
Do I have the right to be informed of the cause and nature of the proceedings and charges here against me here today? Okay, thank you, sir. Am I presumed innocent of these charges here today?
Yes, sir, you are.
Am I presumed innocent of every element of these charges here today?
Yes, sir, you are.
Is jurisdiction an element?
Yes, sir, it is.
Am I presumed innocent of jurisdiction?
Yes, sir, you are.
And has the prosecution provided any evidence of factual evidence of jurisdiction for the court, yes or no?
No, sir, they haven't. And I'm going to say because they're not required to at this time because this is not a trial. This is an arraignment where you enter your plea after being informed of the charges that you face. So they don't have that. They don't have that responsibility. That responsibility kicks in when you do certain things and when certain things are required, which have not been triggered. Do you have any other questions for me, sir?
Well, I moved to dismiss this case for lack of jurisdiction.
What cause are you citing lack of jurisdiction, sir?
Because the prosecution has not provided any factual evidence of jurisdiction.
They don't have to. This is not a trial. This is an arraignment.
So how do y'all even have jurisdiction to accept my plea if jurisdiction is not an issue right now?
Because, sir, this is an arraignment. You got a ticket by a Gwinnett County officer on September the 11th, 2020. So that creates the reason why you're in this court. That gives the court jurisdiction over this particular offense.
There you go. You got a traffic ticket in this county. We are in the county court. The court has jurisdiction. Thank you. Have a nice day.
See, show them a copy of the ticket, which you signed on September the 11th. Next question, sir. So your motion to dismiss is denied.
Well, I'm not able to intelligently enter a plea if evidence of jurisdiction is not present.
I showed you evidence of jurisdiction, sir. I showed
I mean,
you the ticket that you signed.
He just showed evidence of jurisdiction. That the ticket, the ticket that he issued, the citation that he had, that is evidence of jurisdiction. That creates a rebuttable presumption that they have jurisdiction over you. It is now onto you, Jaheretic, to file a motion to rebut the presumption of jurisdiction. The ball's in your court. It's up on you.
On September the 11th,
So
2020 of this year.
that ticket is what gives y'all jurisdiction?
It does, sir.
Could you show me where on the ticket it says that?
I don't have to show you on the tickets.
Fucking sigh from the judge.
It states the law and it states the offense that you've been charged with. That is a violation of law in the state of Georgia. It is alleged to have occurred in Gwinnett County on September the 11th, 2020, which is the venue and the jurisdiction of that particular offense. So,
and he just explained it, J. Heretic, right there. The ticket says that the cop said that he saw him, he stopped him in this county on this date. Ergo, you are in the plaintiff as a rebuttable presumption. The ball is now on your court to say that you weren't in the plaintiff.
that is the jurisdiction and venue in which the law allows me to sit in judgment of this case. How would you like to plead, sir?
Sir, if this court doesn't have jurisdiction,
This court does have jurisdiction.
can you provide factual evidence of
I
that?
just provided it to you. Whether you want to accept
You can call it a logical fallacy all you want.
Sir,
that's irrelevant to me. I've provided.
on that ticket, I didn't see the word jurisdiction
You
anywhere.
don't have to see the word jurisdiction. There's nothing in the law that says that it has to explicitly say jurisdiction. I just cited you the reasons why I have jurisdiction. Anything else, sir?
I'm not able to intelligently enter a plea.
Well, I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf.
And there you go. Congratulations. A plea has now been entered on his behalf.
For a trial date. That's my ruling. That's what I can do under the law. Sir, have you been to law school?
Sir,
Have you been to law school? Answer the question.
are you
Yes or
acting
no?
as my attorney, sir?
No.
You just entered a not guilty plea for me. Are you
Which I
acting?
can do under the law.
Which he can do under the law, and he's required to under the law if the defendant either refuses to or cannot enter a plea. It is not practicing law from the bench. That is the most asinine retort I've ever heard from sovereign citizens, especially in the arraignment process. Entering a plea on your behalf is not practicing law from the bench. I don't know what fucking internet forum you got this idea from, but that is not what practicing law from the bench is.
Because you're refusing to enter a plea.
If a plea is not able
Asinine.
I told you I have every intention on pleading guilty if
Well,
jurisdiction
sir,
hasn't been met.
Okay. Mr. Jones, I'm not going to play this game with you. I'm not going to play it with you. Either you're going to enter a plea of not guilty, you're going to enter a plea of guilty, or you're going to enter a plea of nolo contendere. If you don't enter a plea, the law gives me, because you're not entering a plea, indicates not guilty. The law gives me the authority to enter the plea as the judge in this case as a not guilty and set it down for trial. That's the law, okay? Whether you agree with that law is irrelevant to me, sir. It is. It really is. It's irrelevant to me because I'm operating under the, so you refuse to.
Yes, it's literally the definition of innocent until proven guilty. The judge is not going to allow the defendant to invariably stall the proceedings by pretending to not understand what's going on and or refusing to express a plea of either guilty or not guilty. And it would be a very totalitarian establishment if a judge could arbitrarily just enter a guilty plea on somebody who refuses to plea. Fortunately, our system doesn't work like that, but at the same time, a judge is not going to let you stall the proceedings. So in order to move the process along, he's going to say, not guilty, moving on.
Is not guilty. That means you're presumed
Ergo, maintaining the defendant's due process rights.
innocent. That means the county is going to have to bring their evidence here to show me beyond
114 people watching. I really appreciate you guys here. Thank you very much.
in this ticket on this date in the manner in which they set forth. That's where we're at. So you can keep doing this. I'm not going to do this all day with you, but that's the ruling. If you don't want to enter a plea, I will enter a plea of not guilty. We'll set this down for a trial, and we'll just see what the county's evidence is or is not.
Sir,
I'm not having that discussion, Mr. Jones. Listen to me. I am not having that discussion. So if you continue to go down this road.
Hey, if you guys can hit that like button, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Thanks, Bush.
I'm not stuttering.
Battlefield 1 with 20 people.
Talking to you very calmly, and I am urging.
Did I have 20 people watching me play Battlefield 1 back in the day? Damn.
having that discussion. So if you continue to go down this road, you're dangerously getting into the point of being held in contempt by this court. So listen to me clearly, sir. I'm not stuttering. I'm not raising my voice. I'm talking to you very calmly. And I am urging you to listen to me and follow the direction in which the court has just given you. If you do not want to enter a plea, the court will enter a plea of not guilty, set this down for a trial. What is it that you want to do, sir?
Is it safe to speak?
Go right ahead, sir, as long as you're not going to sit here and say you're not, because you can keep saying you're not intelligently able to enter a plea. That's fine, but that's going to be the ruling of the court. So what is it you want to say, sir?
I'm just going to be quiet because you threatened me.
I like how he has nothing added because his script doesn't actually plan for this sort of situation. As far as who I'm going to debate next, that's up in the air. I got nothing planned in the future. Who knows? What are they doing over there? The cats are fighting each other there, I think.
Consent to be thrown in jail.
Jahertic, buddy, I am not going to be giving you a history lesson in civics. Come on now. And neither is, and neither will the judge, and neither will the prosecutor. That's not their job, is to give you a lesson in civics and political history.
You to go down this road of telling me I don't have jurisdiction when I've explained to you that I do, and continue to say I haven't shown you that that I have jurisdiction when I've shown you that I do. So I'm not going to keep going down that. This is not a game. This is not some parlor trick. This is a court of law that is to be taken very seriously. If you understood the law and made arguments that had some legal basis, then yeah, I would be happy to entertain that, but you're not. What you're doing is spouting things that have no basis in law, that are not correct, and I've explained to you several times, and you keep going down this road that you don't see jurisdiction. It doesn't have to be there, sir. I showed you the facts. Okay, the law is not as explicit as you think it is. It's no loophole that you can play here. So either you want to enter in a guilty, not guilty, or no low contingent, or you can talk to Ms. Biggs and see if she will be willing to work this case out to you in a satisfactory manner.
I would love to do one with Natalie. Mostly we worked through Schrodinger with our earlier live streams. But also, please pay attention to this, to what the judge says here, Jaheretic. For the love of God. And pay attention to what he just said. There is no loophole here. There is no get out of jail free card. There is no secret code to decipher. So stop playing the games.
But that's what we're going to do here, sir. Okay? So what is it you want to do, Mr. Jones?
I really just like to live with my freedom, sir.
Ms. Biggs, have you threatened him with jail time?
I have not, Judge.
Have I threatened him with jail time?
No, sir.
Has anybody in this courtroom said that Mr. Jones is going to be detained or arrested other than him being contemptuous to the court?
No, sir.
Deputy, no one has threatened your freedom here, sir. You are making something out of this that is not. And I guess you're trying to entertain these people or trying to impress them with some knowledge that you think you have. But you are really testing my patience over something that does not need to be tested over. You are charged with a simple role violation. That's it. Nobody's threatening your liberty. Nobody's going to take you into custody unless you choose to have yourself taken into custody by being contemptuous to the court. So I don't look, I used to be a criminal defense lawyer for 20 years, where I represented people charged with murder, rape, child molestation, armed robbery, federal court, state court. I understand the whole nature of people's freedom. I sat with 18-year-olds that looked at double life. Mama's sitting there crying, and I'm fighting for them every day. So you are really irritating me because you're sitting up here with a traffic ticket trying to act like somebody's about to put you in jail for life, or this is some kind of capital case. because you want to impress someone or impress these people and waste everybody's time. Now, if you want a trial, you can have a trial. If you want to show how they don't have jurisdiction, then you could do that at a trial, but you cannot do that at an arraignment. Do you understand me?
We're clear on that, sir.
Have a seat, Mr. Jones. Since you're gonna waste everybody else's time, I'm gonna waste your time.
Thank you. Love it. Fucking love it. Love that judge. What's up, Taco? Whatever you say, Lumina. He just got bench slapped.
We're going to issue you a citation for parking in a fire zone as well. Are you still refusing to give us your ID card? All right. We really want you to just come
So
out.
all this is for a citation. You're going to break my window and violate my rights and get in my car and pull me out because of a citation of a parking citation.
It's not merely
Is that
just about
that's what you just said? That's what the officer just said.
He was explaining one.
Okay.
One of the
Okay.
factors.
So now you're going to reword what you. Okay. Tell me what you just said because I got it on camera. But go ahead.
He just said. I want to pay attention to what he just said. Hold on.
In a fire zone. We're going to issue you a citation for parking in a fire zone as well.
As well. So no, it's not just a parking citation. So the guy's already lying through his teeth.
Are you still refusing to give us your ID card?
Nice, Taco. GG, man.
All right. We really want you to just come
So
out.
all this is for a citation. You're going to break my window and violate my rights and get in my car and pull me out because of a citation of a parking citation.
It's not merely
Is that
just about
that's what you just said? That's what the officer just said.
He was explaining one.
Okay.
One of the
Okay.
As well.
Reword what you. Okay. Tell me what you just said because I got it on camera. But go ahead.
You are obligated to give us your ID or verbally identify yourself so we can write you a citation for parking in a fire zone.
Okay. I gave you my name.
If you refuse to do that, we're going to forcefully remove you out of your vehicle.
Okay. So for my citation. Okay.
For
You
your
go ahead and
citation.
do that.
That's right.
Okay. That makes perfect sense. That makes perfect sense. A traffic infraction. You're going to remove me from my vehicle in order to forcefully give me a traffic citation.
That's exactly correct.
Okay.
Because you are not
Okay.
compliant.
Violating my rights. Okay.
No, you don't know what that means.
Okay. You're right.
You are obligated to give us your identification.
Okay. And I told you who I am.
I have Steam, yes.
Yes.
That doesn't work in court.
Yes. Okay.
We need your first name, last name, and date of birth.
I'm not giving you that
Okay,
information.
you're not giving us that. That's okay. That's your decision. That's your choice. Just make sure you keep your hands up where we can see them.
KG 1097. 1297.
Okay, sorry.
Charlie 12297.
Fuck you, Devin. We all know you don't have a date of birth, Lumina.
I don't consent to any searches or seizures. This
You're
is
ethereal.
my personal property.
You are eternal.
Just keep watching him from the front because I don't know what he's got under. All we saw was a knife.
Yeah, it's right under his.
Yeah,
I'm trying to see it in the door.
Hey, Perez, can you just shine the light through there? Because we can't.
Birth is shipping. Oh, for fuck's sake, Jaheretic. Don't do that to me, man. Please don't be one of those guys.
It's like a Bowie knife under it, so just keep your eyes on it.
Ooh, Bowie knife. Okay, I pronounce it as Bowie,
Vehicles
which is different from David Bowie.
stop me from filming so I can't see their faces and hold them responsible for what they're doing and their actions. They're violating my rights. Inalienable rights. Turning the lights on my camera so I can't see who they are. Intentionally.
Hey, sir, so you know about the stolen vehicles and stolen catalytic converters from these shops, right? Okay.
Hey, thank you guys. We got 130 people watching. I think that's actually a record for this channel. Thank you guys so much for joining in and watching tonight.
Just in case they decide to violate my rights.
I don't know if I would call it robbery and grand larceny. I'd certainly call it assault and battery. At bare minimum.
Can you see from there, Evan?
Said they plan on breaking into my property, even though I do not consent to any searches or seizures, in order to give me a citation, a parking citation. So they're gonna vandalize my property in order to give me a citation.
Yeah.
What? Parking on private property.
They said that you were parked in a fire zone,
which they have no jurisdiction on, and no one called them. So we'll see what they do and what holds up in court.
So you are getting a citation, and so instead of giving them your information, you're saying no, and therefore they're going to shatter your window that you're going to end up paying for.
It's like right next to the seat. There's like a fixed
down here.
there.
It's on this left side.
There's like a kitchen room.
It's like a Bowie knife.
All the screwdrivers and sharp objects are within his arm's reach as well. Those screwdrivers, all the blunt objects that can be used as a weapon to...
Blunt objects, screwdrivers.
Partners as well.
What, does he have a fucking toolbox in his car?
Called them. And they're here for my protection.
For our safety.
For my safety. Everybody, there's like 7 cops came here for my safety. And now they want me to do things for their safety. And I didn't call them, and I don't need their help. And now they're going to attempt to break my vehicle and violate my rights for their safety to give me a citation for parking on private property. There's no here.
If
the vehicle.
P Rhymes, New York, this is in referring to the Soho Karen. New York is thinking about charging with robbery because there's evidence she immediately went for him and got the phone out of his hand. I mean, if that's the if they can show that, and if the video footage can show that, then yeah, she could very well be charged with attempted robbery. It's a very serious. It's not impossible.
And me. Now 8 police officers, or more than that. I don't know the number. Now they plan on.
Yep.
I do not consent to any searches or seizures.
I know that she pounced on the guy, so I could already see assault and battery. But if she was legit, like going straight for the phone, and then yeah,
any of my personal property for the reason of writing me a traffic violation. Praise the Lord.
Here's the problem, Chrissy, number 1. They can't give him a ticket because he's not giving up his information. That's the whole reason why we're at this stalemate. If he gave his information, then they give him a ticket and then they move on. But he doesn't want to give it, and thus we're now at this situation.
And just so you guys know, this vehicle is not stolen.
Okay.
For the record, I told you guys.
We don't know that. Just because
Okay.
you say that, it doesn't mean that's
Yeah,
true.
same way that I can't trust you, but I'm letting you know verbally. This vehicle is not stolen, so you guys can do what you plan on doing.
Okay.
They said they plan on breaking in my car because I won't cooperate with them. And their request for me to help them do their
We don't
job.
want to have to break your window and pull you out of the car. We want you just to come out and cooperate with us.
What?
Because that means paperwork. And you know what? Cops are people too, and cops don't like paperwork just like anybody else. So it's like, for the love of God, please don't make us do this. Because that means it's going to be another hour and a half of paperwork for us.
Crime do you suspect me?
Influence with alcohol.
Okay, how can you prove that?
That's why we want you to come out and talk to us.
No, I don't answer questions without counsel.
So are you refusing to get out of the car?
I don't drink alcohol. I'm refusing to cooperate with you because you guys are wrong.
Okay.
So
well, we're not wrong. We're just here to
you're
make sure
assuming.
We're here to check that you're.
And I told you I'm not. I told you I'm not.
So are
So
you not going to get out of the car?
I am not going to cooperate with you because I do not have to.
So I'm telling you right now that unfortunately we are going to break your window and pull you out of this car.
You
I
do.
don't want to do
Okay,
that.
I don't give you permission to do that. But you go ahead and, for a citation, you go ahead and break my window and do what you want to do.
All right. Cover your eyes, sir. Other side.
Breaking my window.
Keep your hands on the steering wheel.
Breaking my window. Give me a
Taser out.
Don't reach for anything, please. Don't reach for anything.
And everybody's, they have their weapons drawn. You just broke my window for a parking citation.
You're still in the fire lane. You see the red pole right there? He's still there.
There's like 8 cops.
Hold on. Hands behind your back, please. Hands behind your back.
What are you doing to my arm?
Just up your arms, please, sir.
You're on my back.
Just let us cuff you, and we'll get off. Once you get him cuffed up, lay him on his left side. Okay, let's lay him on his side and search him up. Let's get a good search on him, please.
Is he laughing?
You guys are awesome.
Yeah.
What you guys are doing for me. I'm so thankful for you guys.
Jesus, he sounds like the fucking Joker.
Just, you can ask me and I'll do it. You don't have to just push me around.
I haven't been
Manhandle me
cooperating since the beginning, so you can't even ask me anything.
for a parking citation.
That wasn't what I was here
All
for.
of this is required to
That
give me
wasn't what I was
for where
here
I was
for.
parking.
Okay, that's what I put.
Yeah, I'm sure it is.
Asian Canadian $5. Hey, Artie, I'm beating my head against the wall because it's a heretic, but I'm going to keep watching because I like your streams. Hey, I appreciate that, man.
Because they're afraid of being held accountable. P. Barnes.
How's it going?
You said your name is Sergeant Reynolds, right?
Yes, sir. How
So-
can I help you, Mr. Williams?
Sergeant Reynolds. So it is currently 12 noon, Alaska Christian time. We've been here since 11:23,
Okay.
Alaska Christian time. So
Again, I've never heard of Alaska Christian time until this video.
for a total of 37 minutes. I was given an order by Officer Perry.
Yeah,
Hold on. I was given an order by Officer Perry that I had to stay put, and he said that under threat that if I left the premises, that he would then perform a traffic stop and arrest me. However, I've been issued no warrant under signed oath by judge that I have to stay put.
We're waiting for that.
I understand, but there's been no warrant issued for my arrest unto me, but I'm being told that I have to stay here.
And I'm letting you know that I have a warrant for your arrest.
There's been no warrant issued, though.
I can serve it on you right now. I can put you in handcuffs. I can put you in the back of the car.
I'm stating for the fact of record.
If you wanted to go that route, Mr. Williams.
Mustache burger.
Okay, so now
I don't know what you mean, CC Love.
For talking to you about the warrant and what stage it's at.
No. You're totally misunderstanding. Okay.
Okay.
So there's a lot of ways you can do things. Okay.
Yep.
There's a really good way you can do.
Guys, there's no need to time out. It's too late now. You didn't need to time out Jaheretic, guys. Although you constantly posting links to Heretic, you're not helping your cause. So that probably earned you a timeout. But please don't stop it with that. No need. He can talk shit, bombast. He's okay. I can live with that. I'm a grown man, I like to think.
That not so good way to do things, right? So I just got done talking to Darden. I had a great conversation.
Because they're afraid of being held accountable.
Hey, $5 from Sean. Thank you very much, man.
Type of conversation, okay? It's really simple. Your warrant paperwork is en route here, okay? The officer who has it had to stop on another 911 call.
I understand.
That's what the delay is.
But if you're going to remove someone's freedom of liberty of movement, then without the warrant actually being in your hand, then you're
not the warrant in my hand.
Then you're not doing the process correctly.
If you want to go that route, I can just.
Well, the thing is, John, I told you what my rules were about mentioning her name, and you did it anyway 4 times in a row. You posted it 4 times, thus earning the timeout, John. Don't think I don't remember. I ain't that drunk yet. It's always for science. It's always for science. Yeah, that's your get out of jail free card, huh? Yeah, that's what you were saying. It was performance art.
Just have you turn around. I can put you in handcuffs. I can put you in the car, and I'll wait for the paperwork to get here.
I just wanted to get that on the record.
So your choice. Okay.
All right.
However you want to do it, I give that to you.
Okay.
Okay.
I appreciate your time.
Okay.
Yes.
So do you have any other questions?
No. Thank you.
Okay. If you want to wait in your car, you can do that. If you want to wait in my car, you can do that. But in my car, it's going to be in handcuffs.
But I cannot leave the premises.
You cannot leave. I'm telling you, you cannot leave until I serve you that warrant.
Understood.
Okay?
All right.
The other way to handle this is I can take you down to the jail, book you into Anchorage jail, and they can issue the paperwork there. That would be your other alternative.
I understand all parameters. Thank you.
Any other questions?
I will remain on premises.
Thank you, sir.
This is what I'm asking you.
Oh, God.
You did not present anyone.
Fucking New Jersey.
You didn't present to me that there was a crime. You didn't present to me.
No, there's not a way to untime out somebody. They gotta stick around for the whole 300 seconds.
Read me my Miranda rights, and I have a right to remain silent.
Sir, I'm sorry, but
at
you
this
have no
very,
idea what you're talking
but at
about
this,
right now,
yes,
This is Executive Order 13175. Tribal Police. Just to get you clarification of what's going on. This is Tribal Police, bro. If you don't understand the law, you are a constitutional officer and you are violating.
You Hueys are air bitches. Is somebody going back to Old English?
Constitution, Article 1, Section 2, Clause 3. Hold on, which is aliens are not taxed. If you don't understand that California,
because he's a New Jersey state trooper, and a lot of the state troopers in the Northeast, are dressed like they're ready to invade Poland.
California has already ordained that California license plates are a tax under the Vehicle Section Code 115. You're in violation of my rights right now, bro. So what are you doing here?
Now we're asking you right now, did we commit any criminal offense? We're
a traffic offense.
Okay, now is that a crime? We're talking about a commercial issue. So listen,
I have a hinder by not giving me your information.
That is not true.
Okay, yes,
so again, that is not true. So now you're fabricating probable cause. You're fabricating probable cause. You're talking about a motor vehicle issue, and you're trying to convert that into that of a crime. That is a traffic.
Rhineland first.
Now, under the delegation of legislature, listen,
are you going to give me your
They have Stetson hats?
Do you have a warrant?
Wow.
Do you have a warrant? Do you have a warrant?
I'm asking you.
Do you have a warrant?
Dark. Invade Poland. Yeah. The state troopers are also upset about Cyberpunk 2077. Topical. I like it.
As I'm a sovereign with a fee schedule.
Oh God.
$1 million per infraction, as are you for willful negligence, which is equal to fraud. Limitation of Powers Corporations Act, you can't give an order. This is all recorded. I'm putting this up public. I expect that woman fired, and the next time I go in there, I expect to be left alone to do what I need to do without being obstructed.
Listen, are you looking to utilize that? Are you looking to utilize that documentation for your personal financial uses? I am not here to contract.
Well, I mean, I'm hitting a record amount of viewers, so, and I'm actually really happy about that. I mean, I've never had that many before, so I guess it means something when I get trolls, right?
So you made a presumption, and you have not presented any.
Thank you for coming in to watch.
You haven't presented any injured party. So I'm asking you this question.
Salud.
Is there a criminal offense? You have not stated a claim of a criminal offense. You continue to. Do me a favor, get out of the car.
I'm not part of your state. I am a part of 280 public law, California jurisdiction, tribal law. Public law 280. It's right here. It's been active since 1946.
Where is this at? Where's this Republic at?
See this right here?
They're here because of you, John. Because of you.
Public law 280. Jurisdiction of California in the country, not your California. Yeah, this is not your state, buddy. I'm sorry. This is tribal state jurisdiction.
You still live in Oakland, or
this?
Well, I'm under tribal law jurisdiction. You still live in Oakland?
This is tribal jurisdiction, Indian country. Do you understand what Indian country?
Cranberry and rosemary in a beer, like together?
Sir? I don't. You don't.
Honestly, Jeremy, I don't know if I can trust you anymore with beer selection.
Right, let me get it to him. See this California Indian Homeland Trust land? You see this line right here? This is what they don't get. And they keep fucking with me, and I'm getting pissed off because you don't understand nothing about the law that your own state has. So here you go. You need that. You need to read that. What's that? It's an 80-page document.
Point. You said we're not under arrest. You already said that. There's a traffic offense, but yet you haven't read any Miranda rights. Sir, nevertheless, you
Nathan, I'm not falling for that.
Any warrant. Nevertheless, you have not even attached a valid affidavit of evidence for a claim of an injury. No, we're not. Call your supervisor. We're asking you to call your supervisor. Under arrest for what?
You're hindering not giving me your information.
That is fine. That is fine. That is fine. It is no law that states that I have to surrender my documentation. I have a right to remain silent. I have a right to remain silent.
Seriously, the triangle on their thing, like, looks like it's straight out of, like, the 1950s. Like, the 1950s, early 60s. Like, the uniform probably has not changed in 60+ years.
You're talking about like establishing direct contact with Indian tribal governments, including visitation. Hold on. Including visitation of government reservations, native villages, and communities. I reside in communities called the projects. The projects are reservations, bruh.
The projects are reservations.
Remember those?
You have not. You haven't presented a warrant. You haven't presented a warrant.
What?
You haven't presented an affidavit to support your warrant. You said that there wasn't a crime. You said that I wasn't even under arrest. You tried to convert a traffic offense into that of a crime. You're here you're under duress, under terrorism, trying to compel people here in the private conveyance of their private automobile that haven't committed any alleged offense, and you haven't presented any alleged offense. You haven't even, nonetheless, you have not even read the.
All right, Jeremy, I'll have to trust you one more time.
In order to validate any alleged arrest,
Fine.
you have a right to remain silent.
Get out of the car, please.
You have a right to. You have a right.
It's fine. You
have a right.
All you want. You're under
Listen,
arrest.
you have a right to be duly. You have a right to be duly notified of any alleged arrest or complaint of any issue. Okay. This is under the Fifth Amendment. This is standing on the Fifth Amendment.
What?
Okay. You have not presented anything validating by the Fourth Amendment of the Constitution of Article 7 of the Bill of Rights that
Article 7.
There was a crime. This is standing on the Fifth Amendment. Okay. You have not presented anything validating by the Fourth Amendment of the Constitution of Article 7 of the Bill of Rights that.
By the Fourth.
There was a crime. But nevertheless, you're purporting this traffic offense, and I said, am I operating in commerce? You have not validated that. So I'm not here to contract with you. Nevertheless, you have presumed, but nevertheless, you have not presented an alleged probable cause offense of a criminal offense, of a felony. You have not done such. So we've been on the side of the road.
Nathan, I'm going to virtually smack you if you keep at it.
So I'm asking you specific questions, and you, under color of law, have under duress terrorism trying to confiscate documentation for.
Okay, Jeheretic, buddy. I mean, I've been trying to defend you, but you keep on posting a YouTube link. I'm not interested tonight. I might be interested another night, but not tonight. Please stop spamming it, or else I'm going to have my mods time you out again. Please, man, let it go. Be like Elsa and let it go.
For your own financial benefit.
Sir, why did you pull me over? Do you have a threat to public safety that you need to address? Do you, excuse me, I want to speak to your supervisor. Please get your supervisor. Get your supervisor. No, now. I'm no longer speaking to you. Look. Look it. If you break my window, that's an illegal search and siege.
Siege. Siege. He is sieging. He's conducting a siege on her castle. Her mobile castle.
Pertinent information.
Moat.
And you have not validated any probable cause. You have not validated probable cause. I'm not getting. Where's your supervisor? Get off of my window.
You see this right here? You see this license plate right here? This is called protective license plates of cultures. I'm
what?
culture here. I know, because I'm not from here. I'm not California. I'm from fucking East Coast. You understand? I'm from the South. We're traveling. You see what this says? Look. You see what this says? Protect indigenous people's land rights.
Can we have
right. You're not doing that. So right here.
Like the cop is just like he says it so fucking like meekly. Can I just have the information on your vehicle?
This is what it comes down to. This right here.
It's like the tone difference between the guy and the cop is just completely on opposite directions.
This is arresting officers of kidnapping. I've already got all my license and shit taken off already. See that? Okay. Bail dropped because of license plates. I've already fucked you guys over at state capitol.
We need the registration.
No, I'm not giving you none of that because you guys
are violating
my rights right now. Okay. You're violating my rights. You're violating my rights right now. Yes, you are.
What's your first name, sir?
You're violating AB 953 section 8.2.
What's your first name?
You're violating my rights right now. You're violating my privacy.
We pulled you over for a vehicle code violation.
No, there is no violations right here. Read it. Read it. Read it. It's all the highlights, bro. You're kidnapping. According to California, look. This right here. This is dealing with no driver's license.
the way the cop does his lips, he's like, "Fucking hell, I'm gonna be here for a long while."
P. Barnes.
Hey, Tracy Williams with a $10 super chat. Much appreciated. Thank you so much for that. Pickle beer money. No. I appreciate the $10 super chat, but it's not gonna be used in pickle beer money.
No, that's what you're asking me for. Motor Vehicle Act. Right here. Hold on. Motor Vehicle Act. This is the nature of a tax. If you understand what Constitution, like I said, I drive around with paperwork on my shit all the fucking time, bruh. This is the United States Constitution. You're a Constitutional officer, right? Are you? Are you?
Yes,
right.
it does.
It says Navy is not taxed. And that's what you're fucking asking me for, a fucking tax. And it's saying right here in y'all paperwork. It's saying right here in y'all paperwork, bruh. It's saying the shit right here in y'all paperwork. Right to travel, driver's license, no registration.
Right now, this is under notice of motion to federal court. This case is under notice of motion to federal court. Look, signed by a grand jury administrator and timestamped by the courts. Okay? I'm going to show you.
Butterbeer?
It's timestamped by the courts, right?
I tried pretend butterbeer at Universal Studios at the Harry Potter area. It was pretend because it was non-alcoholic, which was bullshit.
Right now, you are violating my pursuits to travel, signed and dated. You see that?
Eldest, I have not gotten my CPU yet. I'm still trying to get it.
I cannot be under arrest because there's no injured party. Is there an injured party? Do you have an affidavit and an arrest warrant? Do you have an arrest warrant? I have a fencing and posting on my body. I have a fencing and posting that says, do not touch my
Fencing and posting.
property, my body. Sir, what lawful order states that you can pull me over and illegally search me?
Ma'am, I'm not trying to search.
Where is, yes you are. You're trying, I have the,
You're under arrest, lady.
I have a rights. I have rights. And I want to speak to your boss. Sir, I'm not under arrest. There's no arrest warrant. Do you have an arrest warrant?
He doesn't need one.
Do you have a proper
At least not at this juncture.
arrest warrant? Do you have an
He needs a probable cause afterwards.
arrest warrant with the signed wedding signature from a judge that says there's an injured party, that I've injured someone? Do you have that? Go get your boss, please. Don't touch my vehicle. If you do, that's an illegal search and siege. Sir, don't!
Get out of the car.
Don't!
Ma'am, get out of the car.
Why would you do such a thing? I feel threatened. He's violating my rights. He's violating. What is your name? What is your name?
Get out of the car
What
now.
is your name?
Get out
No!
of the car now.
No, you broke my window. No!
Get out of the car
No! No!
It's a she's saying wet ink signature. Basically what they're saying is the only legitimate judgment or order or warrant that can be presented to them has to be the original literal wet ink signed by the judge. It cannot be any copy or certified copy, which is bullshit.
You're ripping.
A certified copy is considered legitimate just as much as the original is.
Me out of my vehicle.
Under arrest.
Stop.
I do not feel safe. What have you pulled me over for, and what is the crime you suspected me for me?
You're going to get out of this vehicle.
What crime have you suspected me of committing, sir? I am not feeling safe with what you are doing to me right now. This is against my rights. I know what I have done and have not done, and you haven't even given me any reason to pull me over. You just followed me, tailed me all the way out here for no reason, and then I slowed down to check. Sir?
You give me your ID.
What's that, sir?
I said I will tell you what I said.
That's what I thought, because you need that to get me for a crime, but because I haven't committed a crime, you can't suspect me of committing anything. I know my rights, sir. I'm not going to give you anything, and this extra unit isn't going to help you. I'm going to explain the same thing. Get your supervisor here right now. I have asked for him. You haven't given me your name and badge number. I don't even know if you're a police officer with this unmarked car you're in, sir. So I know what I'm doing.
USC Title 18 subsection.
Does he though?
10 clearly states, unless I'm using public roads and highways for commerce, I don't need a driver's license, sir.
Oh my God.
And I've already have plenty of superior court cases dismissed with the same matter, and pretty much there's been multiple Supreme Court cases that support what I'm saying right now. So,
Okay, let's see proof of insurance.
Do I have? Am I obligated to show it to you?
Yes, you are.
Under what law? Can you show me the law?
4630.02.
Go show me the law.
No.
Go show me the law.
Okay, you'll be getting a ticket for
Nope.
that as well. Are you
This
living
is-
in this house now?
This is.
No.
I don't answer questions. This is a non-consensual stop.
I'm gonna write this down.
I'm telling you right now
Yeah.
that this is a non-consensual stop, and I charge $2,000 an hour.
Oh.
Right, so you haven't suspected me of committing a crime because you need the ID to get the crime. You don't have one. So get back in your car, turn your lights off, and let me go on about my way.
You're not leaving.
I'm traveling, sir.
You're gonna get
I'm
out of
traveling.
this. You're gonna get.
but again, I'm not giving.
They still wouldn't care, Devin. They still wouldn't care. Even if the cop had a copy of Black's Law Dictionary on them, they still wouldn't care. Like I don't follow that law. I follow God's law. I follow the ethereal common law that I made up on my pulled out of my own ass.
If you look at the signature, I'm already reserved all my rights. So again, this case would be dismissed just like every other case would be dismissed.
Continuing this.
The signature matches your license.
Is consenting to my fee schedule.
Okay. Good luck with that.
I do this all the time. I believe in my constitutional right to travel.
Okay.
You handle it, hand it over as long as you order. Absolutely.
We've already seen this compilation though.
The 14th Amendment says that.
Right now, I'm traveling. It's my constitutional right.
Oh God, this guy.
No reason. And he ordered me. And no man can order another man to do something. So I've got 3 CHP cases. And let me just get your name and badge number for the record, sir. And I'll be happy. Can you please identify yourself?
We're gonna drag you out. So if you don't step out
Okay,
of the car,
so right now I'm acting out of a threat of coercion. Right now.
Oh, I did see that one, Nathan.
Coercion. Right now, because you just threatened me, because you said that you were gonna take me out of my own automobile.
Hold it. Put it in park. You're gonna hit the car. Step out.
Hey, hold on. I need everybody's name and badge number before we proceed.
Step out.
Right now, before I step out, can we work together? Can this be business as it is, Admiral Maritime Law?
Okay, come on.
No, it can't be business as maritime admiralty law in a traffic stop. It's a fucking traffic stop. Damn it.
No, it's not.
This is not a maritime admiralty law courtroom.
Nicotine. Everybody knows that Earth Chan isn't flat. So people need to stop that.
I believe so. No. Absolutely, it is. All courtrooms in this country are maritime admiralty law courtrooms that process people, aren't they?
No, sir.
That's false information. Well,
she does.
Either way, this courtroom is trying to process me as state property. You see this fictitious name statement? Asher Edwards, spelled in all capital letters. This is not my name. This name was issued to me without my consent, and you cannot legally process me through this courtroom with this without this name in all capital letters. That was.
Hey, Professor, explaining that would probably take an entire stream to do it, or at least half a stream. So, and I'm already 3 or 4 of these in, and I don't have enough within me to explain it.
Issued without my consent. My name is spelled Asher Edwards, first capital, all lowercase. Edwards, first capital, all lowercase. And this is the birth name given to me by my parents, protected by the Constitution of the United States. The Constitution of the United States guarantees that I'm a free-born citizen, inherently owned by no entity. And this fictitious name statement in all capital letters is a declaration of property of my person. Okay? And so, therefore, because this fictitious name statement was issued to me without my consent, therefore, it is illegal for you to process me through this courtroom. So you guys have to figure out something else to do with me.
Court will enter a not guilty plea on your behalf.
And that's what's going to happen to Heretic when you try that bullshit. The judge is going to be, okay, the court's going to enter a not guilty plea. It doesn't fucking work. It doesn't work. How many times do you need to see this to know that it doesn't fucking work?
For-profit and gain corporation, as of now, right? They are unlawfully and maliciously prosecuting daily base. So we're gonna go ahead and present them with a W-9 tax form, and if they refuse to fill this out, we'll go ahead and fill out a 3949A suspicious activity form along with a FinCEN 101 to the IRS and the Treasury.
Well, Alpha, according to Merriweather Comics, the black hole is an Onason, not that.
Misappropriation of public funds, embezzlement, obstruction, and non-compliance with Title 26/26 CFR.
Am I being detained? Am I being detained? For what crime?
I already told you.
For what crime?
I need to see your driver's
For what
license,
crime?
registration, and
For what crime? Can somebody get Felipe on the phone?
Yeah, I know.
Can you furnish me that code? I don't have to. I'm telling you. Listen here, sir. With all due respect, this is why I requested a supervisor. This is misprison of a felony, refusing to take a report in regards to the felony. And you're acting as an attorney practicing law unlicensed right now, which is also a crime. And you are here to solely take a criminal report. In regards to that, hold on one second, sir. I'm not trying to argue with you. I'm trying to educate you.
And Alpha, this is why I feel like I need to take away your mod privileges. It's for that comment right there.
They want to charge me money. This is capital felony treason. And today that's going to stop all the way across the country. So I want you to know that Bears Law Forensic Science team will probably be some of the people that added to that. There's going to be no more paying to put money on the books. There's going to be no more charging me through little cameras not to see my counsel and not to let me speak to them face to face, because that's going to constitute criminal damages, sedition, racketeering, capital felony, treason. And then we will definitely submit a bill of attainder, a bill of lading, a commercial lien, a statement of facts, and an affidavit of truth. Puts judicial officials in prison when they violate the oath of office in the canon number 7, Title 18 U.S.C. 2381. So today, we're going to have to make sure that that doesn't take place, because any forfeiture or violation or deprivation of his rights is going to constitute recourse for remedy damages, and we will seek remedy for the recourse done by the state. The state has no jurisdiction or authority to pick up the charges against David Ray Bays, and in the event that they do, someone's ass is going to prison. Pick a judge, pick a state attorney, pick a judicial official, because you have no immunity. Please, make my day. I don't mind.
Detained for what crime, sir? What crime? I didn't commit a infraction.
Now, the Supreme Court had ruled that it is your sole duty to take a criminal report in regards, and if I am falsifying any information in regards to this report, you will be liable to arrest me. Now, with the state law
This will get me some
and
views.
federal law considering, I'm going to educate you. Not at one point, at any point in time, was I made aware that I was trespassing. Therefore, it is a crime in regards to the removal of that vehicle from that property, because nobody had made anybody aware that a crime's been committed. I'm going to elaborate for you in a clear instance. 1 second, sir.
I am, the state's picking up the charges on my brother. They don't have
We need the state's attorney, the
We
employment
let the judge know
identification
the
number of
state's
the
attorney.
W-9
Goes down to
tax.
Clearwater, doesn't come here.
Oh, is the state attorney here?
No, the main office is in Clearwater.
Oh, okay, and do they have a boss there that we were supposed to speak to, sir? Because I gotta have a list of names of all the people that sent me someplace else, because I'm submitting a commercial lien, a bill of attainder, a bill of lading, and a...
Are you a licensed attorney here?
No such thing, sir.
So you're not an attorney?
No, sir, and I don't, I got
We're
11 judges,
legitimate law enforcement.
I got one judge in prison already, because I don't...
Excuse me?
We're legitimate law enforcement officers.
Are you certified by the state?
We don't have to.
You're not legitimate.
Actually, sir, I got one judge in prison. There's 11 judges in prison. Are you recording this? I strongly suggest that we keep all this.
By the common law of what?
That's common
law.
You're not, I don't recognize that. You're not a law enforcement
Your
officer.
name is, sir? Your name is? Your name is?
You need to deal with Clearwater. Everything is down in Clearwater.
I got you. What's your name, sir?
Last name is Becker. B-A-R-R-Y.
All right, thank you for your professionalism. I appreciate that, sir. You have a good day, sir. Ready, guys?
Yep.
All right.
Thank you very much. As a for-profit and gain corporation, you have no jurisdiction and no legitimacy. Sorry.
That's okay. That's okay.
Schwer versus the Board of Bar Examiners.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't consent to anything.
Yeah, I think if he was a law enforcement officer, or I think it was a state's attorney investigator, so that might be why he's armed. But he also, I think he might have, if he's an attorney, there are some states that allow district attorneys to open carry.
I'm pleading the fifth too. Taking my Fifth Amendment.
Winston.
I want an attorney present as well, if you're going to be continuing to question me.
Winston.
Or take me in front of the judge immediately. Immediately.
I really wanted to speak with the supervisor so I didn't get gangbanged by a bunch of people who didn't study law.
Oh my.
The next thing that we're going to do is the affidavit of truth gold ticket.
Can I see your driver's license or
No, you can't. I'm traveling, by the way. You know what the difference between traveling is? I'm traveling in non-commerce right now.
Violations of U.S. code and of the
Handcuffs and a bunch of other judges and internal affairs and FBI and other federal marshals. So I just want to know where you maggots stand when we get there to put you in prison.
And yes, he's been charged with kidnapping, and he took a plea.
I'm not. I have done nothing wrong. I am not wanted by, look. I'm not wanted by the court. I was at court today. Yes, I was at court today. I have the paperwork. Look in there. You can see the paperwork. I have evidence. I have live streams. No, I don't. Look, you have no right to kick my door in. You have no right to kick my door in. I don't care that. I told her I was in court today. The court was mine. You can see my paperwork's in there. It's.
What's the paperwork, sorry?
That's not the point. Look.
How do I supposed to see the paperwork?
Look. You've just kicked my door in.
Lawfully.
You haven't not lawfully. It's against the law. I'm a common law gentleman, gents. What law have you broken? Breaking and entering. Kidnapping. I'm not. Gentlemen, I have done nothing wrong. No, the paperwork. I'm not coming down from here. This is a live stream, gentlemen. No, I don't care. The court. I was in court today. They committed fraud. I don't care. I'm not going. Look. You can deal with my solicitor. You can deal with my solicitor.
We are not going to go away.
Nah, I'm not coming down from here. I'm not coming down from here. No way.
So what do you propose is going to happen?
I want people to help me. All my friends, come here. My Facebook friends.
Yeah, I thought BAR stood for Browning Automatic Rifle.
Come here, support. No. I came to court today. I have fucking live footage. I told, look. No, you got the, no, gentlemen, I told you. I didn't even give you my name. That was illegal. You've got to get my name. You didn't get my name. You didn't identify me, so it's illegal. It's illegal. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter your fucking lies. Gentlemen, no, I will gladly come down to the station on Monday. No, I don't. Look, the court had no right to issue a warrant. I was the court master. I have the paperwork.
I'm foreign? I mean, I was told by a lot of sovereign citizens that I'm a foreign agent. I've relinquished my citizenship and become a slave to the Queen and Crown.
Gentlemen. Well, close my door.
Did he post he posted the entire 2-hour ordeal with this guy, and we're not gonna watch all of that. I'm sorry.
Nah. Well, no. I'm like, you guys are constables, right? Yes.
Oh my God.
You're under your oath as constables to protect and serve. Yes, we are.
Yeah, the rest of this is the 2-hour the 4-hour ordeal that this guy dealt with. So, we're done. I thought this was going to be a lot longer of a compilation, but I guess not. Where was it that we were going to watch? Oh, there is something in my history I had actually also for you guys. There were a few Karens that I hadn't seen before.
Karens in the wild.
Now, in fairness, she did take a swipe.
Back up! Back up! Back up! Behind the wall! Stand back! Stand back! Hey, back up! Guys! Fucking bitch! Get your ass back across the fucking street! Shut up, bitch! Fuck you! What the fuck are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do? I recorded it all, bitch! Get your ass back across the street! I recorded it all! I recorded it all! Please back up! Please back up! You get back! I recorded it all! You get the fuck back! There we go! Arrest it! You're under arrest! Hey!
Assault! I've got it all on video! I've got it all on video! Assault! He's guilty of assault!
You ain't gonna do shit! Put that fucking
Assault!
shit away, pussy!
He's guilty of assault! She struck a woman!
I don't even know what's happening here. It looks like protesters and counter-protesters.
Oh, that's stupid dumbass! Fuck you, punk! Hey, stop smoking meth! How does it feel? How does it feel? Huh? Go back over! That has nothing to do with you! Everybody stay calm!
I have no, I got no idea. There was a sovereign citizen video that I saw before this that I had not seen before. Where the hell? This one right here.
According for my
Either I hadn't seen, haven't seen only too much of it. I haven't seen this one yet. Most of it's dash cam footage, so I apologize for that. Ryan Alton? That name sounds familiar. I'm not sure who that is, though.
Alright, and fairway. All two, we're parked in front of 705 Inland.
In front of 705 Inland, 10-4, 1 year en route there.
Yes, sir. Officer Camus, Naperville Police. Good morning. Stopping you for two reasons. One, we got a complaint about your vehicle over at Walmart, and two, the registered owner of this vehicle is stopping you for two reasons. One, we got a complaint about your vehicle over at Walmart, and two, the registered owner of this vehicle is revoked. I need to see your driver's license and the insurance for the vehicle.
Oh, sir, I'm actually not driving, sir.
Okay.
Oh, he's the intro to Schrodinger's thing? Oh. Oh. Oh.
I was at Walmart, but I bought something there. I have a receipt. I paid for something.
Okay, that doesn't change the fact that the registered owner of this vehicle is revoked.
Oh, okay. Well, I just want to let you know that I'm going to remain silent, and you can call your superior.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Paul 2, we got a bag coming out here.
Affirmative.
Not at the moment.
Oh, I'm just grabbing the phone. Nothing major. I'm just recording for my safety.
I just want to get my dog out here to not complicate the traffic stop. I got to
Spoiler alert, he does not remain silent.
Thanks. I'm just recording for my safety. Just so you know, officer.
It's fine. I don't care.
Okay.
Okay, so the complainant at Walmart also reported that they believe that you may be intoxicated. Have you had anything to drink today, sir?
Oh.
No.
Okay, why did you figure they might say that today, sir?
Wait, what?
The complainant at Walmart also reported that they believe that you may be intoxicated. Have you had anything to drink today, sir?
They were probably, well, no.
Okay, why did you figure they might say that?
Because listen, hold on. I tell them that I have the right to travel, okay?
Okay.
And people look at me like I'm fucking retarded. So it's not my fault that they are not aware of these things.
So he's gonna pull this fucking strategy. Strategery.
And it's not my fault that they think that I'm an idiot for it. Doesn't make it not true. I told them to look up the facts. If you look up the facts yourself, maybe you would know. It's not my fault that you're retarded. And
Fucking hell. So we got the fucking condescending part of it too.
And I come up as an asshole, as a douchebag.
Yeah! Yeah, you kind of do so far. Jeez. At least he's self-aware. I appreciate that.
It's just my arrogance.
Okay.
I mean, I tell them that all the time, and it's not. And I told them that I have the right to.
I mean, it's because I am arrogant that I come off as a complete asshole. Yeah.
Obviously, say what I want to say because it's the First Amendment right. And you can't sit here and tell me that I can't say what I want to say, and it's not my fault that you don't like what I'm saying. So, I bought my product, and I left. I'm sorry. I bartered. Excuse me. I traded. You know.
Is he trying so bad to keep within the script? Oh fuck. If he says I bought something, then I engaged in commercial activity. I bartered. I traded in for stuff.
Some monetary valuable paper for this TV that I bought. What's wrong with that? Nothing, right?
Sure.
Okay then. So is there a problem here?
Okay, so you have an
I engaged in a transaction.
Any questions? Because I haven't done anything wrong. Have I committed a crime?
Yes.
How?
Okay, you are refusing to identify yourself right now, and I already told you that the reason for the stop is because
stop and frisk state?
I am not frisking you right now. I'm asking for your ID.
Yeah.
I don't need to give you that because I haven't
Yes, you
committed
do.
a crime. I haven't committed
Yes, you
a
do.
crime. I haven't committed a crime, sir. Look.
The cop already said that, or he probably ran your plates, and it came back to a revoked registration. So yeah, he's already got the RAS to stop you and ask for your ID.
Crime have I committed?
Okay, I already told you the reason.
You what crime
I've already told you the reason for this traffic stop. The reason for the traffic stop is because the registered owner of this vehicle is revoked.
Oh, that's fine. But the thing with that is, no one in this vehicle...
So whose vehicle is this then?
No one in this vehicle is driving. We should all make that very clear.
Okay. Sure, if you would like to dispute that you weren't driving, even though I have you on my dash cam from the gas station, 59 all the way to here.
Okay. Well, you know what? I didn't commit a crime.
Okay, sure.
I'm driving, and if you want to call your superior, you can go ahead. But until then, I'm not answering any more questions.
Okay.
You can call your superior, though.
You've already asked that like 3 times, sir.
No, let's see if we can get him to go with the dog.
Hey, what's your name, man? I'm trying to tell you to go inside. And this is your dog, right? You have a key to the apartment? What's that?
Sounds like they're calling for a dog.
Dog's friendly, right? Good. All right, boys. Gentlemen.
314 status.
Powers yeah. Actually, gotta get that dog food back there real fast.
What's that?
The dog food in the back seat.
Hey, do you mind getting it later, man? We got to take care of this right now. Appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah. Sir, we need you to step out.
I already told you that I answered
Oh, maybe.
no questions, and I need you to contact your superior, please.
The cop mentioned a dog poop in the back seat. Maybe there is a dog in the guy's car.
I'm not getting out.
gonna hit.
Yeah, me too.
I've done nothing wrong, and I've already told you that.
Hey, Ryan, is there anything we can do?
Ryan, so now they know his name on a first, they know him on a first name basis.
I don't know what you're talking about, but I'm not getting out of the car. Nothing we can say or do to convince you to get out of the vehicle. Yes. How? Driving while revoked. You're driving on a revoked driver's license. On a revoked license? Okay. I have you on my dash cam. How do you know? Because the vehicle... Okay.
Well, how did you know? Sir, I have you on the dash cam.
How do you know who I am? Ryan, step out of the vehicle. I'm not going... Out of the vehicle. Are you going to break... Are you going to damage my property? Is that... Don't come out of the vehicle, yes. We have given you ample opportunities to step out of the vehicle.
Lift-eye rule. There's actually a claim that says that...
We have given you...
Sir?
Hey, Ryan, I'm telling you right now, you're under arrest. You need to step...
Done anything wrong?
Okay, well, that's not... That you can't really just... We'll break the glass on the other side. Ryan, I'm giving you one last...
Yeah.
Step out of the vehicle!
Uh-oh.
Now step out of the vehicle or I'll force entry in...
I don't know why the audio is doing that, so I apologize.
Ryan, are you stepping out? I already told you that if there's a revoked drive or there's a revoked...
It seems to be more consistent than simply redaction, though.
Right.
Like it's happening like every 2 seconds.
Straight. I'm not resisting. I got it. I pockets you repeatedly to step out of the vehicle. Do you have anything in your pockets that's going to poke or scratch me?
No, sir, I don't. I have my wallet.
I warned you over and...
Oh, they did broke the window.
Over and...
We missed the window shatter.
Over, Ryan, and you refuse to step out of the vehicle.
I had to ask you a question. What was I being arrested for? You guys didn't...
Driving while revoked. You're being audio and video recorded in here.
I wasn't driving, man. I was not driving.
I know the,
I don't... What do you mean by charging the video cameras?
I'll call a bus.
Like the battery?
Did you start one? I can start one. Oh, yeah.
What did he say?
I'll call a bus. Oh, yeah. Did you start one? I can start one.
Oh. Oh. So that's why it was revoked for DUI? Yeah, I have no idea.
You guys will actually...
It's bullshit, man.
A lot of dead air, I bet.
You know, I don't understand what's the problem. Are you guys gonna turn my car off?
Your car's being seized.
How is it being seized?
Because you're driving while revoked for DUI.
I'm not intoxicated, man.
Okay, but you're revoked for a DUI.
How am I revoked for a DUI? I've never had a DUI in my life. Ever. Are you not aware of that? Excuse me, have you heard what I said?
Yeah, I heard what you said. It's just not what the paperwork reflects.
Okay, I've never had a DUI in my life, man. Ever in my life. I've never had a DUI. Ever. I don't have DUIs. The paperwork's wrong. Do you not know that? I'm driving. You guys can't seize my car. I just got pulled over for this 2 weeks ago for the same thing. And if that was the case, they would have seized my car, wouldn't they have?
Okay, so I don't see a DUI on your record.
I don't have a DUI. I have no DUI. I don't drink and drive.
I just said that.
Okay, but I don't do that. It's a misdemeanor. I have traffic violations, a lot of them.
Oh, well, I mean, that...
But I don't drive anymore. I no longer drive, and I've already told you that.
I have a lot of infractions, but not a DUI.
Pathetic. It's pathetic to me. I found it hilarious, to be honest with you. So are you seizing my car? Excuse me, officer. Are you seizing my car?
He already said yes.
You can't, because...
No, he sounds drunk. He does actually sound drunk.
I have no DUI. Is that right, or am I mistaken? Excuse me, officer. I can't...
Well, he's trying to now. The cop is now being pretty much silent at this point.
I can't hear you, officer. Oh, that's right. I have no DUIs. Oh, okay. Interesting.
Thank you, all of you, for watching, by the way, 150 people. I really appreciate it. Can't believe it.
That's ironic.
Thank you, guys.
So it's a
great way to start the new year, am I right?
Well, guess what that means? Now you and Aurora have a lawsuit on your hands, but it's not my fault. It's just your stupid department's fault. I've already sued you guys once. I mean, you'd think you've learned your lesson.
What's up, OPT?
You guys are absolutely morons. I'm sure you're aware of this though, right? The right to travel, you know that. Of course you do. It's something that no government can actually deprive you of. It's ironic because, you know, there's no injured party. I don't know anybody that was injured in this incident. Corpus delicti, 7 elements of jurisdiction.
Oh God, he's
flag.
Oh my God, he's throwing everything onto the wall. He's talking to the cop right now as he's being taken to booking, but he's throwing all of the bingo words to the wall.
Well, let me tell you something. I know too much about the law. Way too much. Probably, I don't know, more than I should know, I guess. But what I'm trying to tell you is, I'm no dummy. But You can keep thinking that I'm a stupid idiot, but, you know, we'll see who has the last laugh, I guess.
I'm laughing. Right. They talked themselves into a guilty verdict, basically.
Thank you. I do appreciate it. It means so much to me. I mean, you know, it's so weird that I drive to the police department all the time.
You drive to the police department? I thought you said you don't drive anymore.
I'm sorry, not drive.
Ah! No, there. Thank you.
Travel. I can't mix those two words up.
No gives backsies. You already said it.
Do it for compensation, profit, business, or adventure with the corporate state, which I don't do those things. I don't profit from my vehicle. I don't make money in my car. It's not something that I, you know, operate for business. It's just not what I use my vehicle for. I use it for mere travel. That's right. Not compensation. You know, freedom from police interference. As long as I'm not committing a crime. Or suspected of committing one. But apparently to you guys, I'm driving, but I've already disclosed to you.
Oh my god, this is just fucking straight stream of consciousness thing.
That I was not driving. I wasn't using my vehicle for business purposes, profit compensation, or adventure with the corporate state. No. I mean...
How you doing, Jules?
It is what it is, right?
This is a really shitty Taxi Cab Confessions episode.
I do like free money.
I had the right to remain silent, but he didn't have the ability.
I just want to keep that in mind.
He likes free money? I mean, I like free money.
So, excuse me, what am I being charged with, officer?
Damn it, Chuck, I didn't even see your line. That just came out of my mind just now. Damn it. Well, again, I like it when I'm on the same wavelength as my viewers. I always appreciate it.
Driving while license revoked.
Oh, okay. And what is that?
It's driving while your license is revoked.
Right? Of course it is. Well, for me it would be, only because, you know, I don't have a DUI. Well.
One refill time. Hold on. Patience. I got my movie theater candy as well.
Oh, I've never also injured anybody either.
Never said you did.
Oh, I'm sorry, what was that?
I never said you did.
I would never do that.
I never said you did.
I don't like to hurt people.
Never said you did.
My background doesn't have any violence in it whatsoever.
That's good.
None.
Please keep it that way.
That's absolutely how I'm trying. But I constantly get, you know, threatened, harassed, and kidnapped by, you know, you guys. Why are you guys kidnapping me? Can I ask you that? Why are you kidnapping me? I did nothing wrong.
The fucking sigh. I really hope that sigh means that the cop is just going to not say anything anymore.
Go get me a TV, watch a movie, and you break my window and tell me that I can't go in my house and tell me that I'm driving when I wasn't. I was traveling. And you want to kidnap me? That's fine. Don't worry about it. I mean, it is what it is, right?
Call 2 on 23. I'll take a door, please.
I've been Devin, I've been much worse than this.
520.
I can't. I know. Everybody will get bingo. Just from this video alone.
Hey. So, my car's gonna be there still, isn't it? Or is it not? Officer? You're not gonna answer any of my questions, are you? No. I don't have questions either. That's
Ah, finally. Okay, we're hold on. Probably gonna end it with some classic Karens though. And it's some Karens, and then we'll call that an evening.
Karens in the wild.
No.
I found the no trespassing order that I got from the school. You want to hear something? I'm suing the fucking elementary school. I'm suing Roseau County School. I'm fucking shutting that whole entire fucking school. Amy McGuire, principal, Roseau Elementary School. Guess what, Amy? You're never gonna be able to work in elementary ever again when I'm fucking done with you. Fucking wanna say that you're a principal to fucking kids? I just fucking broke my bracelet. That's how fucking angry I am. You wanna fucking lie? Miss McGuire? Do you wanna fucking lie? Do you? Let's look at this fucking no trespassing order. Why do we? Not checking in an elementary office of noticing us of your visits in advance. That wasn't the fucking agreement! Now was it? You fucking cunt bitch motherfucking psychopathic principal! Was it the agreement? No, because I didn't make the agreement with you, you fucking bitch! I didn't make the fucking agreement with you when I called the fucking school. When I got the okay. They fucking told me all you have to do is come to the office and sign in. And guess what, you fucking bitch? I fucking signed in every fucking time. You wanna know why? Because I am not retarded enough not to. Because of Ren. You fucking psycho bitch. Fuck you! Those are my children! Not remaining in lunchroom commons or the space in the office. Oh, excuse me, you fucking douchebag bitch! Fucking busted again! Aren't you? Aren't you, you fucking bitch? That wasn't agreed upon in certain places at all!
I think what happened is that she violated an agreement and they enforced a no trespass order against her at her kid's elementary school.
At all! At all! And I went back to the fucking police station. I did! And they said, oh, you were outside for a little bit with Jaylee. And I said, guess what? My daughter begged me to watch her. So I asked if that was okay, and they said, oh, sure, just come outside and watch her. And then they said, you've been out here a little bit too long, you should probably leave. That is what they fucking did. Jaylee begged me to watch her play. Begged! That is the best interest of the fucking child, to let me watch her fucking play because she begged. You fucking idiot! Fucking school! Idiot fucking school!
Wow. Well, that happened. Jesus. Anyway.
Who's good? Who's good? Calm down.
Oh, wait, we don't have the beginning of this. Hold on. They're already getting handcuffed. Hang on.
Karens in the wild.
They're not leaving. We're not leaving.
You guys literally let her
in.
Hold on! Stop.
That's it. I want. Why?
She's high on something, but I don't know what. She's been walking around with no shoes.
No, don't come straight up. Don't disrespect my man like that.
You are threatening me. Now I'm a civilian. You are threatening me. I will sue your ass. I will sue you. You threatened me, bro. I got you. Give me your name and number. Give me your name and number. Give me your name and number. Come on along. That's why.
You gotta get fired. Hey, shit.
I will catch you. I will catch you.
Dog. Hi.
He really attacked us with a dog. He really attacked us with a dog. He attacked us with a dog. And you are allowing it. You are allowing it. Give me your badge number. Give me your badge number, bro. How many times do you need my badge number?
If this is at Newark International, I would not be surprised in the least.
You really allowed another person to have him attack my girlfriend. For what? For what? For what? For what?
I can arrest you or what? I can arrest you.
She's not
I can arrest you.
because I'm not doing nothing.
For what? Because I accused the dog. I accused the dog after a dog attacked me.
Stop.
A dog took me.
The video is reversed. You can already tell because it's police right there. It's mirrored.
Sorry, it was self-defense.
Oh, it's Miami.
I'm being suspended for what? Because she's not wearing no shoes. Because she's not wearing no shoes. Did you understand what I said?
A dog.
Hey, sir. No. Let her go. Take your arm. Let her go. Let me do that.
Got it.
Shit. What is going on with these two? Whoa! Oh my god! Oh damn, she was barefoot the whole time. What are you arresting her for? I mean, you were already causing a disturbance at the airport. Thundaga. Fucking Final Fantasy weeb trash, John. I don't even know why that other guy was there and took the dog out for some reason. No, his shoe came off when they were putting him to the ground. John, I admit that I am weeb trash confirmed.
Hey, baby. I need you to free me.
That doesn't mean I'm going to call other people out on it. Yeah, see his shoes right there.
Get my train too. My train right there.
Get the fucking train. My phone. Hello. My phone is you.
señor. Sí, vos lo sabés, me han pegado.
Why are you arresting me? I have my rights.
Are you okay?
Why the fuck are you arresting me?
I just now saw the Miami-Dade on the police car.
Why am I being arrested? 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 Why?
Pobrecito, está lesionado el policía.
He's a... Did you just say he's a lawyer? God, I hope not.
I dare you guys. You're all about to be fired. Give me my phone! Give me my phone! This is why you're supposed to be down.
Archer.
I want to sit up. Hello, I want to sit up. Can I not sit up? Okay, I'm not fighting you. I'm not fighting you. I just want to sit up.
Are you okay? Are you okay? I have everything here if you need it.
Thank you.
Please.
Oh wow, the camera woman's like asking the cop if he's okay.
Pobrecito, está lesionado.
All right? Yeah, I did something.
Something tweaked his knee.
Yeah, we'll get it.
Pobrecita. Pobrecita policía. Hi, mijen. Nos vemos. We get it, lady. You're not fighting. Drink every time she says we're not fighting. That'll end this stream real quick.
I need one of your phone. I give you the video. So
Okay,
I have, please.
Okay.
Back to you, 100%, please.
Thank you.
Aww. Yeah, I know she sounds like an abuelita. I know. She sounds like abuela. It's like, oh, please give me your ID. I'll give you the video.
Yeah, we're not fighting.
Yeah, we're not fighting. She says under her breath. know about you guys, but I don't think they were fighting.
Let me go through here. Say hello to him.
Wasted on a boat and pays the okay, I haven't seen this one. Oh my god.
Karens in the wild.
Someone help her. Somebody save her soul.
Oh my god! Is this my mom? Oh! Oh! Ah! Somebody help her!
Get her, you idiot!
It says that would be amazing if this was on the shore.
Hey, she hit her head, you idiot!
Oh my god.
Be a gentleman. Show me. Show me which one of you is going to be a gentleman. Show me. Are there no gentlemen left in this? Are there no ladies left in this world?
They're kids.
Move out of the way. No, don't touch me.
This is what happens when you're being nice.
Move. I have a right not to be touched. And you have the space to move. Get out of the way. Which one are you going to be a gentleman? Which one are you going to be a gentleman? Which one? Which one? You have the space to move by. Why? Why are you not moving? Why? Why are you...
Lady, you're like right behind them in front of their door.
Not being a gentleman. Why? Why? Why are you not being a gentleman to me? What did I do to you that I caused you to not be a gentleman to me? I don't even know you. I don't even know you. I don't know you. Move out of the way. You want to go by? Look, you touched. Go ahead, man. You're used to being...
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Whoa. They were already stopped. And she was demanding that they move out of her way. But there's clearly enough room for her to get through. Come on, man. That is so fucking Karen. God damn it. It did end too early.
Karens in the wild.
You guys, it doesn't occur to anyone that this doesn't make any sense. That healthy people should be treated like they're sick.
I get that, but obviously...
Oh my god, I'll be right back.
Because why would I follow a nonsensical rule? Why would I be treated like a sick person?
We're following state.
No, it's not an opinion.
It is an opinion.
It's not an opinion.
You're entitled to your own opinion.
I'm also entitled to service, and you can't refuse me if I say I have a health condition.
Yes, I can.
If I have a health condition, no, you can't. You need to review the law.
Everybody.
I will report you.
Go ahead.
I will.
I told you my name. I am a supervisor here at the CVS location. Anything else?
So you are breaking the law here, not me.
I'm not breaking.
You can't refuse service based on a health
condition. We can refuse service for anything that I feel like
not based on a health condition.
I already with the conflict.
Pointless. Why are you with her?
Or more, there's like 36 people with COVID in the ICU. Whenever there's a flu, there's only 2 or 3 patients at a time in the ICU. But literally the entire hospital is COVID patients. This has never happened.
And how I'm not saying I'm not saying COVID's not real. I'm just saying I'm not sick. I'm not sick, and asymptomatic spread has been shown to be a myth. So why am I going to be treated like a sick person? Do you know that there have been fewer deaths overall in 2019 than there were in 2018? Look it up. Fewer deaths overall.
Oh my god.
All the deaths. This is not what they're telling us. I'm done. I know I'm not reaching anyone here.
Everybody's unhappy.
I don't care. I'm not putting that on my face. I'm not. I'm not going to. I'm a healthy person.
Ah, yes. Tall girl.
This is like psychosis. For everyone to put all this stuff on their face when they're healthy is insanity. It's absolute insanity. Go ahead. They can't arrest me because there's no law. No, I'm a healthy person. I don't need to wear a mask.
Yeah, you don't need
Oh, I got plenty left in here.
I'm moving to
I kicked you out a long time ago, and you're refusing after I'm offering you something.
Salts and corkscrew, but I'm really curious to see how
She's moving. She's moving tomorrow, and she needs some Epsom salts and a corkscrew.
Epsom salts and a corkscrew, and you're willing to risk people's lives.
No, I'm not risking anyone's lives because I'm healthy.
How do we know that you're healthy?
I'm fine. Look at me.
Do you understand that people?
I'm 5'9.5", and Puerto Rican.
Asymptomatic spread is not a thing. They've already shown there is no asymptomatic spread. There is no asymptomatic spread. I don't have symptoms. I'm fine. I'm not a carrier of disease. This is what I'm saying. They're treating us like we're diseased. You just said
no, I'm not. I'm actually not kidding. It's literally in between 5'9" and 5'10".
I wasn't treating you like you're diseased, but then
Wearing
you're
a
telling me, how
mask
do you
is
know?
not an imposition
It
to
is.
be careful with other people's health.
It's not just the mask.
This is
it's
the
social
epicenter
distancing.
of
it's
the country.
Lockdowns. It's everything. I'm not doing it anymore.
No, fuck that. I'm 5'9.5".
I'm not doing it anymore. I'm sorry.
You're moving tomorrow, right? So you're gonna be.
I hope so. I hope someone in here hears me and feels empowered.
If they want another result, they can give us a call.
No, I have to bring this the day of surgery. It's too late then. Hello. What part of that do you not get?
We can't generate this.
No, that says I was positive and then negative, and I was not positive.
But on here, it says it's canceled.
No, that's not. You all are so sick. It's fucking stupid. I'm gonna. God damn it. Why can't
I can give him a call.
No, I don't want you to. You're probably gonna say she was positive and then negative. Y'all don't even know what the hell you're doing.
Why would I say that?
Because you're stupid. Y'all are fucking idiots.
Okay. Yeah, if I watch this, I'm gonna get demonetized. What Karen calls cops on woman net thong in the beach. Yeah, I'm gonna get demonetized again, or get my video stricken for that.
Karen's in the wild.
Are you going to state your name and address to me?
Can you please get your hands off?
No. Can you step out of the car, please?
No.
Excuse me.
Or because I have a car.
My New Year's Eve live stream was taken down by YouTube for supposedly having sex and or nudity.
Charger on my car. They sell them everywhere. They sell them at petrol stations.
That's not the problem anymore. The problem is you're not stating your name to me.
Just because I have a car charger.
Can you get out of the car, please?
No, I don't feel safe. You're armed.
You're safe.
Alright, you know what? Fuck you, Alpha. I'm taking away your mob privileges.
Don't you worry
No,
about
I
that.
don't feel safe. You're attempting to get into my vehicle. What are you What are you doing? Why? Excuse me. You're not practicing. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing?
Relax.
Get off me!
Get out of the car.
Get off
Relax.
me!
She's got anxiety. Relax. Relax. She's sick.
What the fuck are you doing?
She's actually sick. Relax. Hey! Relax. Fuck. Relax.
Damn. Okay. Oh.
Karen's in the wild.
No, actually, I think he's making a milkshake right now. No, I need a chocolate milkshake.
McDonald's, so of course we gotta mark that on the bingo card.
Can somebody tell me for real if the milkshake machine works here or not? No. Does the milkshake machine work here or not? I'm gonna have someone else come in.
Does it work or not?
It's not working right now. He is fixing it. He cleaned it earlier and it's not working.
Oh, it's Jason, I'm not playing. I ordered a chocolate milkshake and that's what the fuck I want.
Okay, so the milkshake machine isn't working, and she wants her chocolate milkshake.
You're not gonna do this to me anymore.
Okay, did she pay for it? No. Okay, it's time for you to go.
It's time for you to fix your fucking milkshake machine is what the fuck it is. You're done doing this shit to me. I'm not playing. You are not allowed to do this shit anymore.
Hey, 22, ¿no se viste?
There's no reason to wait for cops to come here. No, I'm done with it. That what? No. Shut the fuck up, bitch. No fucking games that you do to me, you follow me around and play. It ain't funny anymore. You're not gonna call the cops and I'm sorry. I'm gonna chocolate milkshake. You follow me around from place to place everywhere I go, trying to play fucked up games. I think I ordered a chocolate milkshake, which is what the fuck I want right now. You ain't funny, you ain't doing this, bro. So I would get back there and fix the goddamn chocolate milk machine, wouldn't you? But you had ice cream in your cup, so what was that? I'll take that. Oh, it doesn't work anymore because you broke it just now. I would go fix it then if I were you. I would go fix it. Okay, then I'll wait. No, it's not. I don't think you understand. I ain't playing. You're fucked up in and you've been doing this to me for a year and a half and it's not okay. You're done doing this shit to me for a year and a half. You're done. You're fucking done. I'm not playing. You're done doing this shit to me. It's not okay.
Well, I think she probably has a Napoleon complex, but...
Hella fucking done.
I traveled to McDonald's, yesterday, I think.
Oh, no, it's not. That's what you decided to do after you fucking treated me like shit.
God damn, that B-roll footage for the McNuggets, though.
For a year and a half. That's what you did after you treated me like shit for a year and a half. You don't realize you don't get to fucking do things to me every day, and if I retaliate or say something back to you, you don't get to fucking fuck me up or do a goddamn thing to me. Don't you understand that? Order 632. Do you not understand?
I love the worker still calling out the orders like this conversation isn't even happening.
Do you not understand that I'm not a fucking human target? Do you not understand that? You in no way, shape, or form get to fucking do anything to me ever again.
Oh my god. She is fucking losing it for not having her fucking milkshake.
Understand that? Do you not get that yet? Order 630. Do you not understand that yet? You don't get it yet. A regular soda. I'll take a regular soda too. No, 724. Shut the fuck up, I swear to God. I will go with the rape charge if you don't shut the fuck up. I will take whatever the
Wait, did you just say what?
I will go with the rape charge if you don't shut the fuck up. I will take whatever the fuck. I don't care. Back the fuck up, bitch. 744. You should have fucked me over, bitch. 641. Back the fuck up. You guys call the police? It's actually
I'm sorry, I have to hear it one more time. I'm sorry.
I will go with the rape charge if you don't shut the fuck up. I will take whatever.
I will go to a... Did she say that?
I don't care. Back the fuck up, bitch.
I don't...
Fuck me over, bitch. Back the fuck up. You guys call the police? It's actually 9. That is I'll say something, bitch. What the fuck? I will knock you the fuck out, bitch. What? What? Look at me like that again. I don't give a fuck if he's safe and if he's good or not. And who was I talking about? You ain't with him and you're never gonna be. Number 1, number 2. Guess what? Who the fuck was I talking about, bitch? Did you know all, bitch? Did he work in the meat department at QFC, bitch? You dumb, maggot, ignorant bitch. What's up now, bitch? Run your mouth some more, bitch. What's...
Is she talking to the current girlfriend? And she's the ex?
Step out now, bitch. You know that's it, right? Even though you ain't never, ever gonna be and never were a fucked up fucking person who works in a fucked up where? Oh, you're the one that always says that shit. That's right, bitch.
This is turning into something wild, way more than a fucking chocolate milkshake.
I don't know why you're always talking about some catering something to do with that, but I really think you're a fucking sellout athlete.
The 26.
All right. Holy shit. I think this is gonna be my last one, and then I have to be done, because it's either I'm done or I'm probably just gonna go back to playing Assassin's Creed Valhalla.
Killings in the wild.
Probably from all the swearing, I guess.
Mashed potatoes and chicken. Here. Mashed potatoes and chicken. Mashed potatoes and chicken.
I can't.
Mashed potatoes and chicken.
I'll get fired.
You didn't work here.
Yes,
you
I
don't
do
mess
work
this shit
here.
in. You don't fucking work here.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. You want to clean this shit up?
I work here, lady.
What job is this?
Look at this Dora the Explorer looking motherfucker.
Go.
I need you to get off the counter.
Give me something to eat.
I can't give you anything to eat now.
Give me my chicken.
Because I can't. You have to wear a mask.
Fuck you.
That's okay.
Fuck
You
you.
need to wear a mask.
You get you bitch me without work.
Oh.
I have a mask in the bathroom.
No, that ain't gonna give me shit. Fuck you, clean.
Have a
You
good
gonna
day.
get this shit? Look at that fucking back there. It's all fucking disgusting.
Then why did you want your chicken from there? If it's all disgusting, then... Oh my god. Wait, attacks an Uber... Okay, I haven't seen this one. Okay, fair enough.
Killings in the wild.
Oh, seriously? Press charges.
No.
Press
Let him go.
charges.
Yeah.
Press charges.
Can you call 911, please? She's getting
Yeah,
wild.
call 911. Oh, yeah.
Let him
Call
go.
911. Call 911.
She's kind of cute, I'll admit that.
Sure, and go home.
Right up until that, she starts swinging.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, seriously, yeah, get some help.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Call 911.
Yeah, call 911. Call
Angie, look, there's a
Call
go get a cop
911.
from there. There's a police. Go get a cop.
For real?
Yeah. Hurry though, there's someone there.
Great. You don't know who the fuck you're messing with right now.
From her kicking it? Oh, that dent? Oh, fuck. And now she just chucked her. Whoa!
Angie!
I did not say that, Brooke. I did not say that. Oh, what the fuck?
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Holy shit!
Get the fuck in the car! I will fucking... Yeah.
She just broke off his rearview mirror.
I bet they will. Get the fuck in this car, you piece of fucking shit! Get the fuck in the car!
Cat, I swear to God.
Get the fuck in the car! Get the fuck in the car, you piece of disgusting fucking shit! Yeah, whatever the fuck I want!
I need to find a girlfriend at some point, but, you know, I ain't gonna get into that. Y'all, 111 people do not need to know the intricacies of my personal life at this moment. Fuck!
Oh, I'm getting really attacked.
Where's the vehicle? 901 South Miami. She attacked me. She physically. She's getting money.
I'm a 5-foot girl.
Yes.
That weighs 100 pounds.
And you're destroying his car!
I'm getting really, like, belligerent right now.
Kinda!
I don't know. She well, yeah, she attacked me. I had bruises all over me.
Yeah,
she's like
I'm
destroying my vehicle.
attacking
She's like,
you have bruises all over you.
Right now. Yes, please. Yes. 901 South Miami.
Oh, fuck!
Shit.
Ah!
Bro, you lost your mind.
Lost my mind.
Oh, fuck!
Holy shit!
You need a police officer.
She's throwing scissors. And she's hitting me with the scissors. Right behind you.
James, I'm not answering that question.
You talk to him?
Well,
look at, I got hit with a scissor.
This isn't a DV. This is a passenger and an Uber driver.
Oh my god, an iPhone. Look, your iPhone.
Oh fuck!
That's destruction of property. You're crazy, dude.
And she just hit that other car.
Oh my god, this bitch.
She took down his side mirror. His mirror.
That's her. That's the Uber driver. Not her. That's not her boyfriend. That's the Uber driver.
I guess that's it.
Watch out.
I guess I'll flee the crime scene. Good night.
Bro, so rough.
And now she's fleeing. Yeah. Holy shit. I mean, oh my god. Wow. Wow. I mean, part of me would say to blame it on the alcohol, but Jesus.
Like.
All right, this is definitely going to be the last one. This is absolutely going to be the last one. I'd like to thank you again. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Much appreciated. As always, I can't believe we hit over 133 people watching tonight. That's awesome. I can't believe we got that high.
Boy, her nose is going off. She smells a pig. Hey, I need your corporal up here at Rally. I got one of your pigs over here trying to touch my dog. Get up here now. He's gonna give me bruises. Come on now. He needs to be arrested. He's trying to touch my dog. He's protected under federal law. Come on. You ain't touching me. You can do this all day, baby.
I feel bad for the cop.
I do.
That's what I was saying, man.
20 years. Look me up, baby. Look me up. Thank you, bruh. You're a bruh. You ain't no bro. I can put you to sleep legally. Legal. Because I am 100% legal.
Okay.
Coming for your
She's dragging her dog around.
job. Don't sell, baby. federal crime.
She thinks we're on her side.
Yeah, I know. That's what I love about it.
I know how to take a seat, big lady. Do you? Good dog. He ain't put his hands on me, I'll get up. No, don't touch me! Get your hands on me! No! No! Get his hands off me now! Get your fucking hands! Get your fucking hands!
Oh my god! Ah! Somebody get the dog away from her!
Get your hands off me now! I'm protected under federal law! I've been working undercover!
She's protected under federal law? And she's been working undercover for 20 years.
I know, right?
Hey, cowboy, you taking the dog home?
I mean, it's a nice dog.
Yeah, she seemed friendly.
Get this pig off me.
Oh, hey, girl.
Get that motherfucker off me now. No! I can't! Get him off me now!
Hey,
Get him off me now!
I'd walk away with the dog a little bit. She's getting a little tense.
Come on.
Yeah, get her out of there.
Pig off me now.
Aww.
Get him off me now. I'm gonna resist because I was.
That is not how I got my cats, you assholes.
Get him motherfucking off me now. Get him off me now. I can. Get him off me now and I will.
She took a swing on him.
Both of my cats had a wonderful surrogate mom. She and I disagree a lot politically, but my boys had a awesome surrogate mom. All right, so none of that.
Break it, baby. Break it. I can take an ass beating. You can't. You don't know what I'm made of, baby. I'm made of steel.
Huh?
Come on now, you alarmed? You alarmed?
Yeah?
That's right, baby.
Gone sexual.
Come on now. Get me the fuck up out of here. Take me to jail. Hey, brother. My dog's coming with me. I'm sitting outside. Put my handcuffs in front of me. Take them off. I ain't no threat. Get that pig off of me now!
My cats were former ferals. That's what happened here.
No! Get up, pig. Take them off of me now. All right. No! Take them off me now! Take them off me now. Right there. 388 law. Get him off me now. He just violated federal law. We got a seat for him. I talked to him. Get him off me now! No! I'm gonna keep yelling. I'll have a seat for you too, boy. Come on, bro. All right, both of y'all going to jail. Take me out of here now. Get me up. Wait, my hands. Y'all got these fucking hands off too tight, bro. Thank you, cousin, for recording this.
Oh, it'll be on YouTube.
Oh, this will be on YouTube.
Yes, you did. Read your rights, bro. Second Amendment. I'll put y'all to sleep legally.
Now it went a little bit more threatening.
Get him off me now. I work for the military. Wounded Warrior Project. Look at my bag, bro. Get him off me.
You guys still have her dog? Yeah, we took it outside.
She sniffs drugs, baby. I don't do him. Get him off me now.
Why get you up?
No, yes.
For the
Get your
Wounded
fucking
Warrior
hands off me or
program,
leave me on the
the
floor.
dog sniffs drugs, huh? I've been recording this since it started.
Just leave me here, handcuffs. No. Leave me on the floor until Lieutenant Neice gets here. Zach, get fucking Zach here now! Get him here now! Leave me on the floor. You kids, take a seat! Get up off me now! Get the fuck up off me now! Get up off me now! Leave me knows who I am. Call him.
Fucking belligerent.
Y'all don't believe me? Get up off me. How do you think I can take a fucking ass beating? You leave me on this floor right now. You call him and you tell him to get me out of here into court now. Look up Philip Ditto and Tom Girardi, they're my attorneys. Get me out of here now.
Tom who?
Committed federal crimes, going to jail. Don't you think I baited y'all? Come on now, I'm smart. I love to be underestimated. You think I was gonna leave this town without y'all jobs? You ain't been listening? You ain't been fucking paying attention? My dog's name is Bambi, not Barbie. Fucking wake up. I got Narcan in my fucking bag, y'all. I want life next to me. You know what you want? Money. Take me out of these fucking handcuffs. All right. Zach will be here in a minute. No, come on. Come on, baby.
Yeah, did she say she has Narcan?
No, leave me here. Nope. Get your hands off me now. You already committed a federal crime, baby. You can hold my hand or you can get the fuck up. You want to go to crime? You want to go to jail? Or you want probation? Get out of my face. You love your family? Get the fuck out of my face. You want visitation rights? Huh? Give me a cigarette? Give me a
Narcan is what's used for somebody going through an overdose. It's like an emergency medicine if somebody's currently ODing to help, help them survive.
cigarette, get me out of these handcuffs and I'll talk for you. I'll get you a deal if you give me a cigarette. And get me out of these handcuffs. You want to love your family? I'll give you a deal. I will. Give me out of these handcuffs, I'll talk for you. Put him in front of me. Well then give me a cigarette. I might talk for you.
Narcan in my bag isn't as good as the lyric as hot sauce in my bag.
Get out my farm.
Fair point.
Come on.
Oh yeah, she's tweaking, definitely.
Give me up. Get me up, baby. Get me up. You love your family? I love them too. That's why I voted for Trump, to get me the fuck up out of here. You don't
Really?
think I know him?
Really?
In the White House. Take these fucking handcuffs off me. Because he's watching this. You don't think they got him on camera? He's watching it right now.
Trump is watching this arrest right now.
You don't believe me? Check my Amazon account.
Check her Amazon account?
Ah, bruh. What's up, boo?
Why her Amazon account?
I ain't got teeth in my head. I got a fix. You don't want to treat me like I'm poor? My family got fucking big.
Future ex-wife right there, bud. Future ex-wife.
Future ex-wife, my guy.
I'm dating my fiance. He's my criminal defense attorney. Get the fuck up.
She's already married.
Now he ain't. It's a cover. Y'all been playing.
Wait, her fiance is a cover?
Good night. Be humble. Sit down. I'll get a cigarette when H gets here. Hello, sir.
Hello, Renee. What's going on?
I went out of these handcuffs.
Okay, well, talk about it.
Oh, we don't talk about it. So I need to get back away from you. You're all gonna. You love your family? No.
Oh, they're gonna hog tie her ass, carry her up out of here. They're gonna hog tie her and carry her up out of
I'll
here.
talk. I'll get you a deal. Listen. I can tell you what's gonna happen. You think I ain't got billions? You think I don't know Trump? Leave me on this floor. Okay, you love your family? I'll cut you a deal. Otherwise, y'all just committed a federal crime. I'm laying on the floor.
She's psych. She's a psych patient.
Girl, she takes stuff help.
Yeah, she's psych. She's a psych patient.
Wow.
I've been in the military for 20 years. Restrain me. Restrain me, and y'all are going to be sitting in Martha Stewart's old cell. I want you to back
Hey, that Martha Stewart cell was pretty pleasant if you ask me, man. That's home away from home.
Yep, I'm tough, baby. Come on. Get your hands off me. I'll fucking put you to sleep, baby.
Whoa! Whoa! Fucking hell!
Yeah. You know me? You want to know me?
Get the leg cuffs.
Yeah, I can take that. Military, baby.
And good night.
And we're gonna end it right there, y'all. Shit. Have a good night, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm probably gonna go on. I'm probably not gonna go on Valhalla. It's 11:30 already, and I'm already 4 beers in, so I'm gonna call it night. I'll be back on Valhalla tomorrow at some point. Thank you guys for watching. Much appreciated as always. Great to start this new year with a bang. And I hope you guys have a safe rest of your weekend. And I'll see you next time. Adios. Take care, guys. Thank you so much. Good night, fellow weebs.